Okay. Let me just inform the Telegram people that the live has started. Okay. Inform Telegram people as well. It said start this live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Welcome Angad Yadav. Welcome on the live stream. हेलो। कल बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो गया यार, बहुत ज्यादा ही बड़ा नुकसान हो गया। इतना तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था मेरे इससे। लिक्विड हो गया कल। मैं भी लिक्विड हो गया। इतना अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूवमेंट देखा मैंने कल। मैं जब मार्केट ऊपर चले गया था सर जी। यस, ऊपर चले गया था। मैं जब वो ऊपर जा रहा था ना, मैंने ना वहां पे जब वो फेयर वैल्यू गैप के पास आया वो फेयर वैल्यू गैप से ना एक नीचे टर्न ले रहा था वो। जैसे ही उसने फेयर वैल्यू गैप से नीचे टर्न लिया ना, मैं फिर वो बंद करके सो गया था। मतलब कि यार ऊपर वाला फेयर वैल्यू पे टैप कर लिया, अब वो नीचे चले जाएगा और मैं छोड़ देता हूँ करके। सुबह उठ के देखा, सब कुछ लिक्विड हो चुका है। 4 एंट्री दिया था, चारों एंट्री में लिक्विड हो चुका हूँ। तो मेरा बैलेंस देखेगा ना आज, शॉक हो जाएगा भाई। मेरे बैलेंस देख के आज मेरा बैलेंस क्या चालू है आज मैं बताता हूँ। बैलेंस एक सेकंड, मुझे लॉग इन करने दे बस। बट यार ये बहुत गलत हुआ। वॉर सिचुएशन में हमेशा देखा है हमने कि कभी भी कोई भी वॉर होती है तो मार्केट गिरती है, बट इस बार नहीं गिरी। ये वो वाला मतलब वो होता है ना कि यार कि मैनिपुलेशन देना कि भाई उन लोगों को पता है कि ये सारे के सारे लोग सेल करेंगे, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि वॉर सिचुएशन से मार्केट गिरेगी, ये सारे लोग सेल करेंगे। उनको पता था एंड उन्होंने वही पॉइंट पे सब लोगों ने बाय किया। सारे लोग लिक्विड हो गए। ना ही तू ना ही मैं। मोस्टली मैंने सुबह न्यूज पढ़ी, ऑलमोस्ट 128 मिलियन लिक्विडेट हो गया। सब लोगों ने सेल के एंट्री डाल के बैठे थे क्योंकि वॉर का सिचुएशन चालू था। ईरान ने अटैक किया। जैसे ही अटैक किया, सारे लोगों ने देखा कि यार यहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी रेड कैंडल बनना, मतलब नीचे का मूवमेंट चालू हो गया था। सब लोगों ने एंट्री ले लिया। उसी पॉइंट पे थोड़ा सा उन्होंने दिखाया कि हम जा रहे हैं नीचे and सीधा मैं अपना बैलेंस दिखाता हूँ। मेरा बैलेंस देख, वही तो मैं एग्जिट कर दिया था। सही किया। मैंने नहीं किया एग्जिट। मेरी गलती थी कि मैंने एग्जिट नहीं किया। मैं अपना बैलेंस दिखाऊं कि मेरे पास बैलेंस कितना बचा हुआ है? एक सेकंड, मैं लॉग इन करके दिखाता हूँ मेरे पास बैलेंस कितना बचा है अभी। मैं अपना बैलेंस दिखाता हूँ। मैं तो शॉक हूँ कि मतलब मैंने ऑलमोस्ट ये ऐसी सिचुएशन में पता है कि जब मेरे को ऐसी न्यूज आती है ना कि वॉर का सिचुएशन होने वाला है, तब मेरे पास एकदम शॉर्ट शॉर्ट रहता है कि यार वॉर के इसमें हमेशा तुमने देखा उस टाइम पे जब पहले इजराइल ने अटैक किया तब कैसा पूरी मार्केट गिर गई थी, सारा -4%, -7%, -8, -9, -10, पूरा रेड 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 रेड, पूरा मार्केट रेड था। अब सेम सिचुएशन में पूरा मार्केट ग्रीन है, ऐसा कैसे? मैं ये सोच के मेरे पास अकाउंट में जितना पैसा था ना, जितना मैंने सारा पैसा लगाया था, हर मतलब जो कॉइन पे दिख रहा था ना कि यहाँ पे मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा मूवमेंट बचा हुआ है नीचे गिरने का, मैंने सब पे पैसा लगा के रख दिया था कि अभी सेल होगा। सब पे पैसा लगा दिया है तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा, मतलब एक शॉर्ट शॉर्ट रहता है ना कि यार ये तो हो ही जाएगा करके, क्योंकि सिचुएशन ऐसे चालू है कि वॉर होता है, मार्केट गिरती है, वॉर हुआ मतलब मिसाइल का अटैक हुआ तो गिरनी चाहिए थी, पर नहीं गिरी। सारा पैसा लगा दिया, सारा पैसा सब चले गया, मैं जीरो पे हूँ, पता है तेरे को? जीरो यूएसडी। सब पे पैसा लगा दिया है तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा, मतलब एक शॉर्ट शॉर्ट रहता है ना कि यार ये तो हो ही जाएगा करके, क्योंकि सिचुएशन ऐसे चालू है कि वॉर होता है, मार्केट गिरती है, वॉर हुआ मतलब मिसाइल का अटैक हुआ तो गिरनी चाहिए थी, पर नहीं गिरी। सारा पैसा लगा दिया, सारा पैसा मैं लॉग इन हुआ सर्च, इसमें क्या हुआ है यार? पूरा यहाँ पे सब पूरा जा चुका है। कोड आ जाए जल्दी से, ये लॉगिन हो जाए, मैं दिखाता हूँ मेरा अकाउंट जीरो दिखाता हूँ, जीरो अकाउंट सब में। पहले मेरे को एज बार में लिक्विडिटी हुआ मेरा, मैं सोचा कि यार एज बार में लिक्विडिटी तो नहीं होना चाहिए था क्योंकि उसका सिर्फ 2% बचा हुआ था गिरने के लिए। इसमें क्या हुआ है यार? जल्दी आ जा कोड, पूरा जा चुका है। कोड आ जाए जल्दी से, ये लॉगिन हो जाए, मैं दिखाता हूँ मेरा अकाउंट जीरो दिखाता हूँ, जीरो अकाउंट सब में। पहले मेरे को एज बार में लिक्विडिटी हुआ मेरा, मैं सोचा कि यार एज बार में लिक्विडिटी तो नहीं होना चाहिए था क्योंकि उसका सिर्फ 2% बचा हुआ था गिरने के लिए। ठीक है, अवेलेबल बैलेंस क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? ये अवेलेबल बैलेंस क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? जीरो। जीरो अवेलेबल बैलेंस है मेरे पास अभी, जीरो। कंप्लीट लॉस पे, मतलब नहीं नहीं बोल के कल मैंने 500 यूएसडीटी चले गया है मेरा। अवेलेबल बैलेंस क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? 6। ये अवेलेबल बैलेंस क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? जीरो। ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री, ये रही मेरी ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री। बीटीसी में बीटीसी में हुआ मेरे को 55 का माइनस, ठीक है, ये मेरा बीटीसी का था। मैंने बीटीसी में भी लगाया था ट्रेड, मेरा बीटीसी में -53 था। अच्छा, ये सिर्फ बीटीसी का दिखा रहा है क्या मुझे? मुझे सिर्फ बीटीसी का नहीं देखना है, इसमें दिखाता हूँ। ZRO ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री, ऑल फ्यूचर, ATH, लिक्विडेशन 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 लिक्विडेशन, सब लिक्विड 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 सारे। ये दिखा क्यों नहीं रहा है मेरे को कितना लिक्विड हुआ करके? मैं ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार, दिखाओ मुझे। हाँ, ARB -100, ATH -2000, -220, HBR -99, बेरा -81। ये तो ये छोड़, ये क्या ही है ये 0.84 प्लस, ये सारा अगर कैलकुलेट करते हैं ना, कल मैं ऑलमोस्ट 5, मेरे पास 500 थी मेरे अकाउंट में, 500 यूएसडीटी चलेगा भाई, पूरा 500 यूएसडीटी पुफ, खत्म। नहीं देखने मिला मुझे, मैं सुबह उठा, मैं जब वहां पे जीरो दिखा ना, मेरे को लगा कि ऐप में कोई ग्लिच है करके, मैं ऐसा रिफ्रेश करे जा रहा हूँ, मैं 2-3 बार रिफ्रेश कर रहा हूँ, रिफ्रेश कर रहा हूँ। फिर जब मैं ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री में जाके चेक किया ना, तब मुझे यहाँ पे -100, -220, -100, -81 ये सब देखने मिला ना, मैं इतना शॉक हुआ कि मैं रात में ये सोच के ही बैठा था कि मैं सारे न्यूज चेक कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, सारे न्यूज में वही चालू है कि ईरान ने अटैक कर दिया, मतलब यही अपने दुबई वाले मतलब यूएई के इलाके में उन्होंने 5 जगह पे अटैक किया, ठीक है। अब 5 जगह पे अटैक किया तो वो ऑब्वियसली कि रिटेलिएट भी करेंगे, ऐसा थोड़ी कि चुप बैठेंगे। अब इजराइल भी कुछ ना कुछ करेगा उनके ऊपर, ऐसा तो चलते रहेगा, ये पहले इसने किया, फिर ये करेगा, फिर वो करेगा, फिर ये करेगा, फिर ये तो चलता रहेगा जब तक एक बंदा हार ना मान ले, ठीक है। अब उसमें फिर एक बड़ी न्यूज भी आई कि क्या था वो कि ईरान की, मतलब ये वो फेक न्यूज है या जो भी है पता नहीं, पर न्यूज चैनल वाले चला रहे थे वो लोग। उन्होंने बोल दिया था कि भाई एक ईरान वाले 24 आवर्स में अपना मतलब चेक कर रहे वेपनरी कि हमारे पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल है, ये वो है। अगर हमारे पास न्यूक्लियर वॉरेट आ जाता है तो हम यूज करने के लिए हम रुकेंगे नहीं, हम यूज करेंगे। ये बहुत बड़ा न्यूज है ये, ठीक है। एक न्यूक्लियर वेपन यूज करना इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग। टू यूज अ न्यूक्लियर वेपन इज कंप्लीटली नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग, okay. And that was a very huge news which should have dropped the market completely down, but it didn't. And that's one of those cases where like I've explained same thing yesterday itself. Like there will be one situation in your life where you, even though you are having a complete knowledge of the crypto, even if you are having a complete knowledge of chart patterns and every of those things, still you might be facing a loss in the market because of the manipulation. Now yesterday there was most of the people are saying that we already, like when the Israel attack to the Iran, major people did the max sell off, and after the sell off there was nothing to sell. That's not a case. That's really not the case. There is no such thing that there is nothing to sell more. Obviously, there is more to sell. They have such kind of quantities which they can sell again. But at those point, they never did. And that was an extreme thing in which I faced a complete loss of the market. Complete loss. Minus $506, which you can see over here, gone. Minus five. That's the like one of the most biggest loss I've ever faced in my life was yesterday. And that too because of a manipulation. That's a state of manipulation. I won't deny this fact that it's a manipulation. Welcome, user 615164. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. Thank you so much. Yesterday was what you can say, a holiday of a market or what, I don't know, understand. So we had a huge loss in the market yesterday, and I really have no idea how I'm gonna recover this loss. But we won't lose hope. We will recover the market. We will try to get inside the market again. Will I will make sure that I will put all of my instincts, observations, I will put my all knowledge inside the market today so that we can get a proper entry, we can get a proper sell, we can get every of those things. Okay. I really have no idea why why, like I have like even still I have a question mark in my face. Like gold fall yesterday and Bitcoin was going up. Gold, okay, gold is just 0 point, but rest of the stuff is like +3, +5. XRP was the game changer. XRP had a volume of +200 volume of XRP, more than Ethereum, more than Solana, more than Bitcoin. People were investing in XRP, and that was a very huge thing. Like at a escalation of such tension of war escalation situation, cryptocurrency is considered the most riskiest asset. It's not a stable asset. It is not a, what you can say, a traditional asset like a gold is a very safe asset. Crypto is not. But still, at such kind of situation, we saw people went for crypto, not to the gold. That was like I don't know what to say for that. That was speechless thing. Like why it happened, how it happened. We'll try to discuss it. Even I try to find news regarding it. They are just saying that like before, before the war, like before yesterday, there was a major sell off, and after sell off we don't have anything to sell, so that's why the market reacted in the buy situation. That's not the case. They have a huge supply, they have a huge quantity, they have a huge holdings. They can do the sell off, they can do any of those things which they want to do. but but it's fine. Let's try to look in a positive sense, because see, such kind of situation will give you a lesson. Okay, if at right now point, when with the loss of 506 USDT today, yesterday with the loss of 506 USDT, if I trade with a today's mentality that I just want to recover my loss, I will never earn the profit. You should understand this one thing. Recovery doesn't come from the rigorous way, like I have to recover, I have to recover, I have to, you know. It comes from that patience, that you have to find your one that moment where you are 100% sure. Because most of the time it happens is like when we lost, like for example I lost 506 USDT, I should be in a very worry state that I, where is my money, my money is gone. But if I like if I let my emotion take over me in the trade, it will affect my decisions, it will affect my trade, it will affect me with a more loss. And that is all, like whenever like a new trader, beginner trader, they should learn this one thing. If you are having a loss, that is completely fine. Okay, you will get another chance, market will give you another chance. And I've told you this yesterday as well, that market always have this one situation in you ki, like even if you are having 100% knowledge of market, that one day will come where the market is going to defy all of your knowledge, defy all of your logic, defy all of your sentiments, manipulation, anything. Whatever the logic you put in your head, like this is happening, that is happening, this is happening, that is happening, and that's why this will happen. No, that won't happen. Exactly opposite thing will happen. And then you will be having a big question mark in your head, like why, what happened here, how it happened here. The riskiest asset had a grow riskiest asset had a growth in the market. Riskiest asset has a had a growth in the market yesterday, and that's a very huge thing. Welcome user 635104, welcome on the live stream. Welcome user 449404, welcome on the live stream. And I would love to request all of you people, like please, if you are new to my channel, just leave my yesterday thing. Okay, yes, yesterday I had a loss. Okay, and I'm admitting it as an honest person. Yesterday I had a loss. Most of the people, they don't admit that they are having a loss or they went wrong. I went wrong, and that's what I tell from the day one, as that I'm a human. Someday I can go wrong as well. That day was yesterday, but still, be a member of my channel. Okay, just because of, don't judge me because of my one loss, judge me because of my thousands victory which I have given to the people as well. Okay, so please make sure to join my group. You can clearly click on this group option which is down the live stream, and it will take you to the zbit.com live with Yash group, which is having right now 261 members. If you become my members, I share daily analysts, Bitcoin analysts, like all the analysts, like, and there are like, if you want to have an analyst of XYZ coin, I share that as well. It depends on you. Okay. If you want, I will share those analysts which I feel like this is very close to the truth. So I will share those analysts. Plus, I will also share the crypto market signals in this group. So if you want to be part of this group, please make sure to join the group. I share crypto signals free of cost over here. There is no charge for it. This whole group is completely free of cost. You get benefit. You get benefit of what? You get benefit of getting crypto signals. You get benefit of assistance, whatever, wherever you are facing any kind of difficulties, maybe in your deposit, maybe in your withdrawal, maybe in how to use Zbit, or maybe knowing regarding what are the benefits which you can receive becoming a member of my group. Okay, last week I did a Friday giveaway in which I provided 10 free USDTs, 10 USDT per person to all of the people who joined my Friday giveaway. So do not forget that there is such kind of things which also happens in the group once in a while. Okay, it's not like every week thing, but once in a while I provide such kind of benefits to my members as well. Okay, so it will be very useful for you. So please make sure to join the group zbit.com live with Yash. It's very important for all of you people to join this group. Okay. And whenever you have any kind of difficulty, know where to catch me. You just can catch me in the group. You can just tag me at the Yash Pawar, help me this, help me that, and something like this. Or you can just click on this group over here. You can find me in the top, Yash Pawar admin. You can just text me whenever and whenever you want. You can just text me. I'll be there for all of you people to help in whatever situation. Okay. Do not forget these things. Welcome user 656531. Please do not forget to join my group. Okay. This group will provide you all the assistance regarding the market. You are not understanding anything, I am there for you. You are not understanding how to trade, I am there for you. You are not understanding how to use Zbit, I am there for you. So please make sure that joining my group is very important, and it is very simple. See, it's just one click away for all of you people. If you look into this one situation, what you need to do is simple. This is the only thing which you need to do. Can you see the group option over here? Yes. Just simply click on the group option over here, and it will take you to the zbit.com live with Yash. Join it today and become a member of my channel and get advantage of becoming a member. And rest of the, like most of the people, they are not aware of this group. The people who are aware of the group, they earn profit. Yesterday they had loss, no doubt, no doubt. Yesterday they had a loss, but not every day it will happen. Welcome user 207053. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. I will love for all of you people to join my group. Okay. So, and will Dogecoin continue to fall? Let me just check Dogecoin for all of you. 1 second. Dogecoin. 1 second. User 207053. Just 1 second. I'll quickly check Dogecoin. And will Dogecoin continue to fall? Let me just check Dogecoin for all of you. 1 second. Yes, a Dogecoin will continue to fall. There are, like, if you look into this situation as well, I'll show you some liquidity zones of the Dogecoins. Yes, a Dogecoin will continue to fall. 4 hours. Like, if you look into the situation as well, I'll show you some liquidity. So Dogecoin is clearly following the downtrend, which is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, in which we can clearly see. And I also want to show you liquidity sweep, no liquidity level, liquidity levels. Yes, this. Yeah, you can also see the liquidity levels of the market over here. There is one, there is one, two. So most of the things, yes, the Bitcoin, sorry, Dogecoin will fall down more because it's following the trend. And plus, at right now point, none of the cryptocurrencies are having that much, like what you can say is basically faith. Even though yesterday was a good success for cryptocurrency over gold, but still meme coins, they don't have that huge sentimental value plus financial value. Okay, they are just meme coins, they don't have any financial value. So make sure to avoid investing in meme coins if you really want to earn money, because meme coin comes with a trend. If you want to follow the trend, then follow the people who are the, like, basically the founder or the manipulator of the Dogecoin. One of the big name is Elon Musk. Follow whatever he's doing. If something is relating with the Dogecoin which is doing, then that might help Dogecoin to move fast. But at right now place, I really don't think so that Dogecoin is gonna go up. Okay, it will fall down. It will continue to fall down until maybe the next trend will come or something. Because most of the people at right now, first of all, cryptocurrencies are looked as a risky asset. Okay, in that risky asset, the most risky assets are meme coin, because they don't have financial value, they don't have any use cases, they are just made for fun. That's it, a simple fun. They don't have a financial value at all, compared to like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. They have financial value, but yet they are considered as a risky asset at right now moment. So just imagine the cryptocurrency looked as a risky asset, and in that risky asset there is coins called meme coins which don't have any value. So people will avoid, right now point. In the very starting period when the meme coin came, at that time we were having a trends, we were having a lot of huge trends in the market, like people were investing for just for fun. But now it's not for fun. Now they actually want to earn, like actually want to be a millionaire, billionaire by investing in the crypto, and they are precisely finding those coins only which can give them a good amount of profit. Dogecoin is not one of them which can give them a good amount of profit. Okay, any meme coin is not a part of them. Even though you will see a lot of like website, they have those banners of the meme coin, that new ape coin came, this coin came, that coin came, panda coin came, and something like that. They will always have you attracted by their banners that this coin will go pump up and blah blah blah. Do not trust. Okay, do not trust. Meme coin pump is not a stable. Meme coin pump is just for mostly I'm talking about meme coins are handled for manipulations. Like big investors, they invest and show you that right now the movement is gonna pump. You will invest and they will exit with your profit, and you will have the loss. So make sure to understand this thing. Right now, do not invest in the meme coins. There is no future of the meme coins in financial value. Okay, there might be like just for the trend, just for fun, they might be there, but other than this, they don't have financial value. Even for the Trump coin, we all saw what happened with the Trump coin. We also we should take an advantage of not the Dogecoin. What was that coin? There was a coin called Pump, nahi, Pepe Mind, I guess. Pepe Mind or Pump, something like that. There was a coin in which most of the big influencers of the crypto market, they were like posting like this is gonna pump 100x, 200x, 300x of this, 300x of that, and everything. They was posting those things, and just after where people got like excited, like okay, this might be the next coin, this might be the next Bitcoin, where they can invest and they can have very good value. All people invested, everybody, people went for buy. The value went up, the investors invested, and once the market reached that peak point, all the big investors, they exited. And who faced the loss? The retailers faced the loss. Understand this one thing very clearly. In the crypto market, a person who is having a loss is always gonna be a retail investors. Big investors, they don't have a loss. They always have a backup plans ready for them. We are the one who is always in the situation like what happened in the market, what why there is a fall. They all know the reason of it, and they might be the reason of it as well. Okay, so don't try to invest in the meme coins at right now point. If you want to invest, invest in some coin which is like actually valuable. XRP is great valuable coin at right now point, to be very frank, because XRP gave something which even Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin couldn't give. XRP's volume was trading yesterday at plus 200% volume. That is like it's just giving us what you can say. It is telling us that most of the people are interested in investing in more than BTC, more than Ethereum. They are invest. They are right now trying to invest in XRP, not in the BTC, not in the Ethereum, because the XRP is a valuable coin. Why? Because it has a function. It's a real life functioning coin where it can be used for a lot of good use cases. Okay. Welcome user 203207. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Yeah. So XRP is one of those coins right now where every of those other coin is like drawing it apart, like this, throwing it apart. Every other coin are not pumping that much, which you can clearly see. BTC growth 3.68%, Ethereum growth 5.7%, and XRP 5.37. Even though it looks like XRP had Ethereum had a great growth, but the major volume was in XRP. That means that gives us like most of the people, they are having a trust on the XRP more than any other coins. Okay. Wow. Even though it looks like XRP had Ethereum had a great growth, but the major volume was in XRP. That means that gives us like most of the people, they are having a trust on the XRP more than any other coins. Okay. So XRP is having a great valuable coin right now. It's cheaper, $1.3 per coin. It's not that expensive. It's cheaper. At the same point, it is having a real life use cases. It is working as a better, it is cheaper, faster than even Solana. Okay. So and it has a tie-up with like Solana doesn't have that much tie-up with the banks, but XRP does have a tie-up with the banking system as well, which makes it more real life useful coins than Solana, than Ethereum, Bitcoin. Even though the value of the Bitcoin is still high because it's the number one coin. You cannot defy the king, obviously. But XRP can be the next Solana or can be the next Ethereum very soon. It's just like most of the people will think like if they are having such kind of huge investment in XRP, why the price is not pumping up? You have to understand this one thing. The price pumps up with the proportion of the supply of XRP is very huge compared to Bitcoin, compared to Ethereum, compared to Solana. XRP supply is very huge. If, for example, if supply of a coin is very huge, price will move slow. Price will move slow because if, for example, if there is like 100 billion kind of coin of XRP, even if we invest 2 billion today, the price will move just from 1 to maybe 2 or 3. That's all. Very less movement because of the supply which is increased. Why BTC has such a great value, even with the investment of very less investment of 1 million, 2 billion, the market pumps very fast. Why? Because the supply is just 21 million. That's all. That's the max supply of the Bitcoin. That's why it is one of the rare, because after 21 million, there is not going to be a single Bitcoin for available for any of the market to be available. It will be considered as the rarest coin after every of the market, after every of the Bitcoin is off the market, and it's like everybody is just like holding it. Nobody can buy it, nobody can. It's same like for example, if you consider, like people say the diamond is the most rarest element, but there are more rarest element than the diamond, which is highly valuable. You might have heard regarding some diamonds, sorry, not diamonds, you have heard regarding some elements, you have heard regarding some antimatter stuff, which is far more expensive than the diamond because of its rarity, that it is very less on the earth. Okay, that thing might happen with the Bitcoin as well. Because if you consider in a value, if you consider in a value, like 21 million Bitcoin is there. Okay, even though Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is almost today, I guess 66, 67, 67. Okay, 67. That is not a very huge thing. Like I guess in the in the next maybe 10, 20, 30 years, this 21 million of the Bitcoin might be wiped out of the market. Everybody will be holding it in a bank as a rare element, which can they sell in the whatever price they want, because it will be considered as a rare element. Okay, so we are still in the extreme fear. The extreme fear is not gone. Welcome user 927159. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. And we are still in the extreme fear of 16, but it's not huge like compared to yesterday. Leave yesterday. I don't even want to talk about what happened yesterday. We are having a pump of Bitcoin today is at 67,169.81 dollar, 5.56% up. Ethereum is 2003, 7.7% up. BNB 60 to 624.82, 5.33% up. Solana is 10.35% up, 86.44. XRP is 7.87% up at 1.3932. Okay, so that's the crypto market for today. And we have also seen a growth in, not that huge, but yes, we have seen a growth in the market cap as well. Yesterday's market cap was 2.3, I guess, just 2. No, 1 second. What was yesterday's market cap? Yesterday's market cap was 2.27. Okay, 2.27. Today is 2.32. 1.95% in 24 hours. We have seen the growth. Welcome user 791923. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. We are at 2.32 trillion. Yesterday was 2.27 trillion. From there, we came to 2.32 trillion, 1.95% up. Okay, now it might be the trend line effect because, like we said, uh, I can see a bearish pennant pattern over here. Yesterday, exactly at the market came to the trend line, and from the trend line, it took a support and it went up. I thought there will be a break of trend line over here, but there was no break of a trend line. It just simply took the demand, and from the demand, market is just up. Okay, that can be a trend line support as well, but I don't know it. Ah, market cap early performance. That was a very extreme one. We still have 2 trillion, which is yet to come inside the market, which maybe we will soon come in the market, but it is yet to come in the market. Market cap early that was a very extreme one. We still have 2 trillion, which is yet to come. I want to see the Bitcoin treasury so that I can understand how much it is not even showing that there is something, but I want to see strategy inflows. I want to see the Bitcoin treasury so that I can understand how much. 23 was the last what they purchased. 23. They're having this was the last which I saw, which was on the 23. After that, they haven't bought anything till now. Okay, the strategy looks normal, but maybe the rest of the people might have bought. We also should see the inflow. Net inflow is minus 69.64 million. That February 27. How come it can be a minus 69.64? It should be plus. We had a like profit, like we had a pump in the market. It cannot be minus 69.64 million. Yesterday, if we look in the flows, this is 27. IBIT took 32.7 million out from the market. Very less people invested, very less money. Then from where the money came? From who made the market pump up this much? Is it a fake pump? Is it a fake pump in the market? Because it literally looks like IBIT took 32.7 million out from the market, not inflow. It is an outflow of the market. Bitco, they took 3.3 billion, 3.3 million inflow. This is which is not big, okay. Compared to this, it is what 1 million, 3 million, approximately, let's say 4 million. And the outflow, can you just imagine the outflow is 43 million plus 32.7 million. More money has gone out than went inside. That justifies what? Today is that is 27. Okay. 28. We need the data of 28. We don't have a data of 28. This is okay. This is 27 data. I need a data of 28. They haven't updated or what? Suspicious. The data of 28 is not even there. Today is 1st, the March, 1st March. Today is 1st March. Suspicious. Let's see over here in surf. Maybe we will find some different. Ah, today's 1st March. Let's see over here in surf. Maybe we will find some different. I want to see the complete data thing. Let's see over here. Maybe we can find it. Welcome, Trade Wolf, on the live stream. How are you, Trade Wolf? Trade Wolf, have you joined my live stream group yet? Have you ever joined my live stream group? Have you ever clicked on this group option over here? Mind my voice. I'm having I don't know. I'm having an issue in my throat infection. I'm having. That's why my voice is like this. But have you ever joined the group Trade Wolf? Have you ever joined the group? If you haven't, just simply click on this and join the Zibit.com live with Yash. It is a very useful group, useful member group in which I provide crypto market updates, crypto market signals, and every of those things. Okay, so please make sure to join it. Please make sure to join it, and also send hi because I want to see like Trade Wolf. Like maybe you are a trader, you can like we can discuss regarding some strategies, or like do you use any kind of strategies, Trade Wolf? Currently, I am into like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'm trying to learn it because not every day it works. Some day it works, some day it doesn't work. Okay, and yesterday was definitely that day which it never worked. So if you are like by the username, I'm guessing that you are a trader, okay? Because your username says you are Trade Wolf. So can you just join my group so we can discuss the further, like you might have some great intel about the market or something which me I might learn, or like we can share each other's knowledge or some strategies which you think which works in the market. I would love, because see I am that person who loves to try new strategies. Okay, I don't like to stick in one strategy forever. I try to find new strategy and then work on it. If it I find that they have a very good win rate or something, then I prefer that strategy over the next one. Like I always find the level up. First, I used to go for the SMC, the smart money concept. Then I dropped it because even the smart money concept has a lot of loopholes inside it. Okay. Then I went for the ORB strategy, but that is for too basic. ORB strategy is very, it works. It works. No doubt it works. But the win rate is not that much. And plus, ORB strategy is also highly manipulative strategy. Recently, I came across this accumulation manipulation distribution strategy which was working, but yesterday it never worked. Had a loss of $506, which you can see over here. A loss of $506 I had. So I would love to have like some new strategy if you have to share or something like that. I don't want to have those zone strategies where just like put the zones in the market, supply, demand, and every other things. Even though if it works, but it's highly in this like it's just like we have to wait for it. If the market comes to supply, then we have to wait for the whales to come. I don't want to wait. I want to know where the whale is going to enter. I want to know the liquidity places where the market is going to tap into that zone, sweep the liquidity, and give a movement to me. Okay, so please, Trade Wolf, if you haven't joined my group till now, please join the group and find me in the DMs. Like DM me personally if you have any nice strategy of yourself or something like that. I will really appreciate it. I will really appreciate to like if you share the knowledge or something. If you are a like a trader. If you are a new trader, that's just completely fine. By just like by your username, I'm feeling that you like you trade. So do you trade Wolf 10303025 user? I have joined. Can you send a hi in the group? I wanna see. Can you send a hi in the group right now? So I will know like what username you have. I'm a young trader under 18. You started like you are doing it from India or you are somewhere out? Do you use Delta Exchange, India Delta Exchange? You are Gitanjali Pradhan? You started like you are doing it from India or you are somewhere out? Do you use Delta Exchange, India Delta Exchange? You are Gitanjali Pradhan? I am here. You're I just saw Gitanjali Pradhan. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Your name is Gitanjali Pradhan or what? Are you a girl? Waiting for trade signals. I'll surely provide it. Are you a girl by any chance? Because I saw like your name is. I am young trader under. I got it. I got it. I got it. That you are a young trader under 18. That's nice. But I'm asking, your username look like a Gitanjali Patan. Are you a girl who is doing a trading right now? Are you a girl? Gitanjali, for me, it's a girl name. So if it's not, then it's fine as well. 1 second. I got it. I got it. I got it. That you are a young kid under 18. That's nice. But I'm asking, your username look like a Gitanjali Patan. Are you a girl who is doing a trading right now? Gitanjali, for me, it's a girl name. So if it's not, then it's fine as well. 1 second. Okay, let's. I want to see Bitcoin ETF. Why last is of 26, 26? Yeah, this is 26, right? I want to see Bitcoin ETF expand. Why there is no data of 28? This is very suspicious thing that there is no data of 28. 28 data should be there. I'm not able to see 28 data. And why it says over here that on 227, like 27th of Feb, we are having a Bitcoin inflow of like IBIT invested 1.8 billion, where we can see in the crypto like in 2000, like same 27, we are seeing the market is having 32.7 million only. Like why there is such a change in the market? Like 27 we are having a Bitcoin inflow of like IBIT invested 1.8 billion, why there is such a change in the market? Like which one should I consider fake? Here it says minus 32.7 million. And in the spot ETF, it says on 27th, I can clearly you can see over here, 22 February 27th, sorry, 27th February 2026, IBIT invested 1.8 billion, total of 2.55 billion we have seen in the market, which is very unimaginable, obviously. 1.8 billion, I clearly get 1.8 billion. There is no such investment of 1 point, because on 27th Feb, we were having a loss in the market. 27th Feb was a place where the market was dipping down. I don't know in which updated on the 1st March, but clearly it looks like a fall in false news over here. because we can like if there is same thing twice, like if same news, two different types. One is saying that it is 1.8 billion 1.8 billion over here, and another one is saying 32.7 million minus. So who should we trust? Obviously, in here we can clearly see the IBIT minus 32.7 million outflow. Minus is outflow, that they took the money outside the market, which we can see. And in spot ETF, we can clearly see on 27th of Feb 2026, IBIT invested 1.8 billion. Two different news we can see. Welcome user 338721. Welcome. I have a question. Since I am under 18, which strategy should I master? You should master SMC, smart money concept. You should master ICT. You should master AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'll tell you 1 second. I'll give you a list which you should master, because that will give you reality of the crypto market. Okay. Like any of the market, where because major what we see is manipulation happening from the market plus the whale and institution. Okay. So as a trader under 18, you should be having a knowledge of, first comes SMC, which is smart money concept. We should be having a knowledge of smart money concept. Smart money concept. Okay, my handwriting is very bad, so I'll just write short form SMC. You can search it on YouTube, it will come. First is SMC. It will have know about everything. Okay, where is supply zones of the market, where is demand zones of the market, because most of the time what we have observed is the whale and the institution people, they enter at the demand zone and supply zone only. I will give example as well. Okay, so for example, can you clearly see over here, this was the previous 1 second. Yeah, this was the previous demand zone of the market, which I marked over here. Exactly from that place, we had a very good buy. Same to same situation happened. Okay, this happened because of demand zone in the market. Okay, so if you want to learn FPG strategy is good or not. FPG strategy is good in SMC only. In smart money concept only you get FPG strategy as well. FPG strategy is good for re-entry in the market, and there are two types of FPG strategy. Okay, always make sure don't go for the classic one. See, classic one is great, it works, no doubt, but there are two types. One is fair value gap and another one is inverse fair value gap. Okay, so make sure that you understand both of the fair value gap. Okay, one is FPG and another one is IFEG, which is inverse fair value gap. One fair value gap talks about what? That a gap will be created. This will be a gap. Market will tap into it and it will jump up, right? But not all the time it happens. Sometimes it goes wrong. Why it goes wrong? Because of an because of an inverse fair value gap. Okay, what is inverse fair value gap? I'll explain you. There are situations like this. Can you see? This is a fair value gap of sell side. This is sell side fair value gap. And this is what? A buy side fair value gap. Two opposite fair value gap. This is called as inverse fair value gap. Once they both collide, obviously the one which is at right now wins. Okay. So you can see from this as well, like most of the people will see that market is going up, this fair value gap will tap in and from there it will fall down. But no, if it forms a good fair value gap over here, the market will tap and it will jump up from there. So inverse fair value gap and fair value gap, both are very good strategy, and you should understand both, what it means, how it means, and every of those things. Okay, plus there is another strategy called as ICT. ICT strategy. Okay, and this is, to be very frank, if I tell you one thing very clearly, even all this doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Why? I'll tell you. This all can be tricked like finger snap. The big investors, institution people, market, crypto exchanges, they can trick this all SMC, ICT, fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, all this concept, they can trick it very easily. They can manipulate it very easily. So if you really see, as a beginner, you should know this. You should know this very for very serious. You should know this. But if you really want to know what is happening behind the trading, see, this is a coding. Okay, this all thing, the chart which you see is a coding. Behind it is the real trading which is happening. Okay, and to find that thing you should know heat map. Like, have you heard book map? Book map and heat map, there are two maps. These two maps talks about real things in the market. They will give you the real liquidity zones where market will tap, where the real fair value gap orders are placed, where the real like for example, if you can see that there is a fair value gap. Okay, but is that fair value gap really the true fair value gap? Like, is there a limit order placed over there or not? It will be shown in the book map. If there is one, there will be a huge round box. I will show you. I will show you one. Okay, I will show you book map. So this is how a book map looks. One second. Yeah, this is how a book map looks. Okay, this is happening behind the chart. This is not the chart. Chart is like in a front, which can be manipulated very easily. But book map cannot be. We can clearly see, you can clearly see the big balls. These are the large order placed, and that's the fair value gap which we see. Some fair value gaps which is created in the chart can be fake as well. But in the book map, we can identify which is a fake fair value gap and which is a real fair value gap, which is a fake demand zone, which is a real demand zone. We can identify by the book map very easily. Large cell size order book. Okay, then ask or like everything, like you can clear. But understanding book map is very hard. To be, I'll tell you very frank. Understanding book map is very hard. Even I don't understand it completely because it's so complicated. But this is the real deal. This is the real deal. But as a beginner, learn about SMC, ICT, supply zones, demand zone, fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. Chart patterns are very useful because chart pattern forms and they give you a good movement as well. I will give you three examples of, no, actually two examples. I will give you two examples of chart pattern which I personally had found in the market. Is $1 deposit good? No. No, $1 deposit is not at all good. I'll tell you why. $1 deposit, for example, if you take $1 deposit, you enter with $1 deposit. Market volatility compared to stock market, compared to indices, commodities, crypto market is highly volatile. Volatility means what? The price movement of the chart is very fast. Suddenly it will go up and suddenly it will fall down. Okay, so that movement, it will affect your investment. For example, you invested over here and market is falling down and suddenly a very volatile come, it will go up till here and then it will fall down. Now this will make what you have a loss because it will liquidate you. The liquidity comes from low balance. $1 is very less for the crypto market, very less. Yes, there are coins which is under $1 which you can invest, but still $1 is like you won't able to see the profit which you want to see. $1 will give you what? Yeah, I've seen many times. Exactly. You will see one thing, like $1 will give you profit of what? Maybe 0.08, maybe 0.5, maybe 0.1. Is that the profit which you are hoping to get from crypto market? No. People come over here, they think like maybe in a daily wise, I can get $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, maybe 100, maybe 200 daily wise. With $1, it might not happen. As a beginner, if you are a very like complete beginner, you don't understand crypto market, you don't understand anything, you are in the learning phase of the crypto market where you are trying to gain the knowledge, and at the side by side you are applying that knowledge in the market as well. Start with $10. Why $10? Because it will avoid you from getting liquidated, first thing. Second thing, that $10 can give you a profit of 1 to $8 in a single trade, which will be motivating for you as well, that I am gaining profit as well. And the same point, it will help you not to get liquidated. Okay, because if you invest in like $1, you got liquidated, you will invest another, rather than piling up that $1 10 trades, 10 deposit, you deposit $10 in a one go. And whenever you lose money, don't feel bad. It's completely fine. If you don't have experience in something, obviously you are gonna fall. Even me, I have experience of 3 years. That is my yesterday's loss. $506 gone. But that doesn't mean that I haven't earned profit from the market. Yesterday was a manipulative market. I lost. That is fine. So when you lose money, understand this one thing: market is always above all. Okay, that is a one ring which rules the all. That cannot be taken. I am using binary strategy in crypto. What is a binary strategy in crypto? I want to know. Binary strategy. Fractal. Like resistance support zones? Is it a resistance and support zone? Binary is a market. Binary. I, it looks like binary is like support and resistance zones. Like they are just plotting the reversal positions, like resistance, the places where the reversal can come. I will give you my top. If you want to go for an like indicator, I will give you a little like my top one, which I personally use for indicator for knowing the market. Okay. So first thing which I use is means crypto forex stocks like binary. Got it. I will give you some like beginner friendly indicators which will help you to understand market. Okay, get the concept and it will help you as well. I first prefer sessions because I want to know which session is going on. Understand this one thing: the trend setter. We all have this one thing, that the trend should be set, right? So Asia market, the Sydney and the Tokyo market, in the session, just go in the trading view, put sessions, lux algo are the best for the indicators. Put the sessions and always follow Asia market. They will create a range in the market. Okay, that is a one range where the market will create. London will come. It will try to find a movement. Like if it crosses below, it will try to manipulate it. And the real movement of the market comes from the New York. New York is a one who gives a real movement in the market. So always follow the New York session, because when the New York starts trading, the real movement of the crypto market comes at that point. Okay. And I also have like inverse fair value gap trend line. This is the shit thing. Lux algo liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep is good thing. It will give you 1 second. I will close this. Open this. Liquidity sweep is a good thing. Liquidity sweep will give you an idea like from where the market can come. Liquidity, I will. Do you understand liquidity sweep? If you don't understand, there's no point of me speaking. I have an experience of 1 year in the binary, but it is now proved as gambling. Exactly. See, I learned the SMC, I learned ITC, I learned supply demand zone, I learned everything. After gaining this much knowledge of different strategies, okay, I prefer different strategies. I was doing ORB strategy, ICT, SMC, supply zones, then support resistance, chart patterns, every strategy. Slowly you will feel that every strategy for few times, like the win rate situation, 6%, like out of 10 trades, six might go wrong, six might go right, and four might go wrong. Okay. And then you feel like after one moment you'll feel like it is just a gambling, like it is not in our control, it is in that people's control. Now I've understood, after so many long years I've understood one thing: all the concepts, all the everything's inside the market is just to fool us. Even though it helps us, even though sometimes it helps us to gain profit, true, but it is to fool us. The real deal is a book map. I've understood this thing, and you should understand that thing as well. Like, strategies can give you knowledge regarding a market, like this may happen, that may happen, this may happen, that may happen, but the real deal is the book map. Book map is the real deal, where nothing can be hidden. Book map is the thing where it just shows pure logic. That this is the pure logic, this is where the institution people are, this is where the people are trading, and every of those things. These supply, those chart patterns can be manipulated very easily because they are simply coding, they are k line. It can be manipulated very easily, but book map cannot. So yes, the strategy looks like gambling only. So please prefer learning book map, heat map. It will give you a pure concept of what's happening behind the market, and we want to know that only. We want to know what is those institutional people doing, because same thing at right now point I'm like in the question, like if I go in a crypto market cap, the ETF, like crypto ETF, like exchange rate fund, where the people invest in the crypto in a spot in a very huge amount. Okay, in here can we see on 27th February 2026, we can see IBIT did minus 32.7 million outflow. Okay, real game is played by the big institution, I know. Yes, institution ETF at right now point, this is the one news which I like, not news, this is a fact which I saw, and I'm like questioning the logic, like what, like for example, if we can see on 27th Feb 2026, IBIT outflow is minus 32.7. He took the money outside the market, right? But if I see some other, I saw the blockchain. This is the blockchain data, in which if I put the last one on 27th Feb 2026, IBIT did 1.8 billion of inflow. Now, who is lying? Nobody knows. Is it a 1.8 billion inflow happened or 32 million outflow happened? Nobody knows. And that too on that day, your voice is echoing. I am having that. Uh, I'm having cough. I'm having a cough. Yeah, throat infection. That's why my voice is like this. Boa Hancock. Welcome. Welcome, Boa Hancock. And that is the one thing which I feel like why there is such a lie thing. Like in here, I bid 1.8 billion, I can see inflow. And the same date in 2026, second Feb 27th Feb, I can see minus 32.7, minus 32.7 million outflow. Who is true? And actually on the 27th Feb, we saw the downfall of the market when the attack happened. It's strange. But the real deal is, if you want to actually know, some voice is going in the background. Voice is going in a background. I have one mic on. It's strange. But the real deal is, if you want to actually know, some voice is going in the background. Voice is going in a background. I have one mic on. I don't know why my voice is echoing. No idea. No idea. Because I can see this one voice over there. There is no other anything which is on. It's just one thing which is on right now. I have no idea. No idea. Because I can see this one voice over there. There is no other anything which is on. It's just one thing. Yeah, I was showing the chart pattern thing. Okay, sorry, I forgot. Okay. So chart patterns, why are you working? Isn't it safe out? It's not safe out there. Yeah, it's not safe out there. It's not safe, but it's fine. This is one of those analysts which I found at that point, and I shared in the group as well before. Even right now, I have shared. Yesterday, I shared analysis of bearish market, the bearish pennant. These are the two chart pattern which I saw in 1 day time frame way before, and I shared in the group as well, like way before, like very before, like this, because this happened in June. I told them, everybody, this is a bullish flag pattern. So chart pattern works. Okay, chart patterns are great, but great on higher time frames. Chart patterns are great, but only on the higher time frames, not on this time frames. Like 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour chart patterns are good, but sometimes it can go wrong. The day time frame chart patterns are the best. If you find any, then they work the best. Okay, this is a bullish flag pattern. This one is a bullish flag pattern. I will show you how bullish flag pattern looks as well. If you just go bullish flag chart pattern over here, there are mainly two types. One is one is this, where you can see the pole, resistance is falling, support is falling, it looks like a flag, and from there we get a profit. Okay, and that's exactly this thing which we can see over here, a pole, a flag, and from there we saw the profit. This was the chart pattern. Another one we saw was a bearish flag pattern, same, the pole, the flag, and then we saw the drop of the market. Bearish flag pattern looks like a pole, a flag, and from there we saw the profit. This was the chart pattern. Another one we saw, this is a bearish flag pattern. Yeah, this is a bearish flag pattern, drop, a flag, and then the drop. It is a continuous chart pattern. There are, but we cannot trust every time on the chart pattern. Yes, but the higher time frame chart patterns can be trusted. Higher time frame like 1 day, week chart, or 1 day, week, those are the perfect one which can be trusted. Okay, because till now point two patterns are formed in the day time frame and work the best. Even right now, the currently the market like this, even the day time frame is creating right now over here is bearish parent chart pattern, which I shared you in the group yesterday, right? This was a bearish parent chart pattern over here, same. I'll show you bearish parent chart pattern over here. Two patterns are formed in the day time frame and work the best. Even right now, the currently the market like this, the day time frame is creating, this is how a bearish parent chart pattern looks like drop, resistance falling, support rising, and from there another we will have $10 गिफ्ट मिलेगा फ्राइडे वाला. ये फ्राइडे वाला ग्रुप जिसको मतलब जो विनर थे ना उनको सीक्रेटली मिल चुका है. ऐसा ग्रुप में अनाउंस नहीं किया इस बार, बट जिनको मिलना था उनको हमने दे दिया है ऑलरेडी. अगर इन किसी लोगों को अगर फ्राइडे वाला गिफ्ट नहीं मिला है, मतलब वो नहीं जीते. ठीक है अंगद, जिनको देना था उनको हमने सीक्रेटली दे दिया है ऑलरेडी. एंड उनका नाम मैं डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि जब मैंने लास्ट टाइम नाम डिस्क्लोज किया था ना ग्रुप में, तो मुझे बोला गया था कि ऐसे ही डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना है नाम. तो इस बार हमने डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया नाम. आई थिंक SICD can be a good strategy. SICD, let's see, SICD, change in the state of delivery. Key level, price is in uptrend, price takes out the key levels in the previous high. It's most recent uptrend, then closes below the. It's basically the manipulation strategy, right? This SICD is very same like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Very same. If you learn regarding accumulation, manipulations, and distribution, it works the same. Like for example, this is your accumulation where market makes a range. From there, there will be a some manipulation, and then this will be your distribution. This will be M, the manipulation, and this will be D, the distribution, AMD. In which what happens is market makes a trend, everybody follows the trend, and from there it will try to give you a breakout. Everybody will think that market is going to follow the breakout, but that is actually what a this thing, a manipulation where everybody will enter and the opposite trend will happen and they will give the distribution. This is same like CID thing. Like they are also working on the same concept. Like they will follow, make the trend. Everybody will take the trend. They will take the liquidity sweep over here because most of the people will enter for the buy situation, and from there they will get out. Where everybody will enter and the opposite trend will happen and they will give the distribution. This is same like CID thing. Like they are also working on the same concept. Like support level, liquidity sweep, and then gone. Liquidity sweep over here because most of the people will enter for the buy situation, and from there they will get out. ICT support level, liquidity sweep, and then it's a trend reversal strategy, right? Kind of. We took a liquidity, market went, price action, long close positions. Yeah, liquidity, CCD level. CC, acha, previous close level when we crosses that level. Okay. Reversal strategy, right? Kind of. Okay. We took a liquidity, market went, price action, long close. Important level, market structure shift, CCD change. CCD level. CC, acha, previous close level when we crosses that level. Okay. Market structure shift. Okay. Changing the delivery of the market. Terms. Important level. CCD is like a break of structure, right? Kind of like market will come back to its original place from where it went up. It's like a break of structure. We can make levels of change of, yeah, the same thing that was I was thinking. Like it looks like a break of structure only. We can make levels of change of characters and break of structure. This same thing, change of character, break of structure, comes in the SMC, the smart money concept. But the breakup structure, I also followed that thing actually. Do you know that I used to go for like whenever there is an uptrend, I used to go for like, okay, the breakup structure is happening, breakup structure happening, breakup structure happening, and then is a change of character, and I used to go for then the change character. I used to follow the change, and now the reversal will come because of the change of character. But even that thing can be easily manipulated. I also tried that thing, like where I am using the same thing, change of pattern and breakup structure strategy, but it also has flaws. It also has its own loophole. Not every change of character is the trustworthy where you can just enter because of the change of character. I've done that as well. In it, it is ICT, the swing high, swing low, and TP at the higher high. Okay, got it. That's same thing, not liquidity sweep. Like the swing low will be your liquidity sweep, market sweep the liquidity, and then the target will go to the TP high high. Got it. Liquidity sweep concept. Can you please tell me why liquidity void happens? It is ICT, the swing high, swing low, and TP at the higher high. Okay, got it. That's same thing, not liquidity sweep. Like the swing low will be your liquidity sweep, market sweep the liquidity, and then the target will. Let me understand what is liquidity void first. Got it. Liquidity sweep concept. Can you please tell me why liquidity void happens? What is price where little resting liquidity level? This is one where few people buy less, others selling and build usually the resistance price support, and once the area is entered. Let me understand what is liquidity void first. Yeah. Let me understand it. I will explain. What is it talking about? Price where little resting liquidity level. This is one where few people buy less, others selling and build usually the resistance price support, and once the area is entered. Yeah. Let me understand it. I will explain. What is it talking about? What is a liquidity void? Demand block. Where is liquidity void? But it is fair value gap, right? What is? It's a FEG concept. insufficient delivery, reprice efficiently, balance repriced. Is it that thing where price will come again and again and again and again? Fair value gap, right? What is it's a FEG concept? Huh. Insufficient delivery, reprice efficiently, balance repriced. Is it that thing where oh, I got it, 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 I got it. Like basically these situations, right? Where like for example, this buy happened at April 25, and after a long period of a time this thing got over here, again passed down over here at Jan 26, right? Such kind of thing, right? Like where, can you please explain why liquidity higher happens? Yeah. So it is basically this kind of structure, right? Like one, the buy, extreme buy will happen, and after a very long period of a time, that buy will get again, the market will come down to the same position and it will cross that level. I'll tell you what happens. I'll tell you what it is. Okay. I understood. I understood what you said. I understood what you said. Yeah. So it is basically this kind of structure, right? Like one, the buy, extreme buy will happen, and after a very long period of a time, that buy will get again, the market will come down to the same position and it will cross that level. Now, understand this one thing. Where does this buy comes from? This, this, is there more? Yes. This, which is tap. Okay. I'll explain you. Trader was gone, but it's fine. Let it be. अंगद यादव, क्या करना है यार आज अंगद? क्या करे आज? This, which is tap. Okay. I'll explain you. Trader was gone, but it's fine. Let it be. अंगद यादव, क्या करना है यार आज अंगद? क्या करे आज? Interest. Welcome user 309757. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. Welcome user 309757. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. Let's try to find some trade for the people. That's what is left at right now moment. Let's try to find some trade for the people. That's what is left at right now moment. Why it is seeing this much time to load? Why it is seeing this much time to load? Welcome user 437721. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. I'm trying to find trades for all the people. In the meanwhile time, please do not forget to join the group. If you become a member of my group, you will be taken to zbit.com live with Yash. Okay, please make sure to join the group over here. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. I'm trying to find trades for all the people. In the meanwhile time, please do not forget to join the group. If you become a member of my group, you will be taken to zbit.com live with Yash. Okay, please make sure to join the group over here. I should check that actually. Welcome user 124. Welcome user 124. Hmm. Very late I got to know this, but nice. It is still loading. Very late I got to know this, but nice. It is still loading. Future trading. Future trading. Hmm. Welcome user 685699. Welcome user 948337. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. If you haven't joined my group yet, it is getting loading. That's why I'm waiting. If you haven't joined my group yet, please make sure to click on the group icon over here and join my Telegram group, which you can see over here, zbit.com live with Yash. Okay, please join my this group. This group is very important for all the members. I provide here free trades, crypto market updates, analysis, every of those things, plus whatever assistance you require from my side, I also provide it. If you have already joined the members, then on the comment section, give me a thumbs up that you have joined it. Okay. User 948337, have you joined my group yet? क्या आपने अभी तक मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया? मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, आप इंडियन हो तो मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपने अभी तक मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है क्या? यूजर 948337, आपने अभी तक मेरा zbit.com लाइव विद यश का ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है? अगर किया है तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे थम्स अप कर देना कि आपने ज्वाइन किया है. किया है तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे थम्स अप कर देना कि आपने ज्वाइन किया है. Why it is not happening? Okay. kind of trade can we keep? A tough question to ask. What trades to provide? If I see by liquidity level, I can see the market may can come below this swing low, and from the swing low, grabbing the liquidity sweep, it can go up. If I talk about sessions, what session is going on at right now point? It's London, I guess. Yes, London is getting traded right now point. I think it is gonna just cross the Asian session low point, and from there it will create some manipulation, and from there New York will take over. New York will take the market upwards. That situation might happen today. That's what I feel. Everything is in green, 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 green. Let's see what kind of coins this Zebit is offering to us. Like for today, I cannot trade today. I don't have balance. ATH USD. What's happening with ATH USD? ATH USD gave a very bad loss yesterday to us. And now it's creating a volatility situation where there is no defined trend over here, not uptrend, not downtrend for us to follow. Inverse fair value gap. This is what inverse fair value gap means. We should have entered over here with an inverse fair value gap. Welcome user 918263. Welcome on the live stream. Are you a part of my group? Yes or no? क्या आप मेरे मेंबर ग्रुप में ऐड हो? अगर नहीं ऐड हो तो प्लीज बताओ. अगर ऐड हो तो भी बताओ. क्या आप मेरे मेंबर ग्रुप में हो? यूजर 918263. एटीएच में तो आज मुझे ट्रेड नहीं. दूसरा है DYDX. वेलकम अंगद यादव. breakup structure change. क्या करें यार अंगद आज? क्या करना चाहिए हम? फायर. क्यों याद दिला रहा है? क्यों याद दिला रहा है? हो गया है, पता है मुझे, दिख रहा है मुझे लॉस. ये यहीं पे दिख जाता है मुझे, जब जीरो दिखता है ना पूरा, मैं यहीं पे देख ले रहा हूँ. आप डिपॉजिट किए हो? कल होगा डिपॉजिट. आज संडे है, फाइनेंस टीम छुट्टी पे. कल जब वो आएंगे तब डिपॉजिट मिलेगा. मंडे को. सैटरडे संडे वो छुट्टी पे होते हैं. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मेरा संडे को ही सब गायब हो जाएगा करके. या एक्सपर्ट हो, मैं उनको इन्फॉर्म किया मुझे फंड चाहिए करके. मंडे में डिपॉजिट मिलेगा मुझे. क्या करना चाहिए, मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है अभी, क्या करना चाहिए करके। एक वीक तो मैं बीमार हूँ, मेरा यहाँ पे भी सर दर्द कर रहा है बहुत। उसमें से ऐसा मार्केट, कॉइन्स देख रहा हूँ तो इच्छा भी नहीं हो रही है उनमें इन्वेस्ट करने की। लोग शॉर्ट की एंट्री दे रहे हैं, शॉर्ट की एंट्री मैं दे दूँ तो फिर वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी ऑब्वियसली। सर जी मिनी हार्ट अटैक। बड़ा वाला था भाई, मिनी 500 यूएसडी मिनी नहीं होता है, 500 यूएसडी बड़ा हार्ट अटैक होता है। अच्छा खासा ट्रेंड चालू था, टेक डाउन कर दिया तो। अभी आज भी अटैक हुआ है वहां पे, हाँ ना यार, आज भी अटैक हुआ है। फट गए बॉम्ब, पांच पांच या छह बॉम्ब फट गए ऑलरेडी। सिटी में डेब्रिस गिरा है, सिटी में अटैक नहीं हुआ है, सिटी में डेब्रिस गिरा है। वो इंटरसेप्ट जब करते हैं ना, कोई मिसाइल ऊपर से उड़ रही है तो वो मिसाइल को फोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, तो उन्होंने मिसाइल बहुत सारी फोड़ दी उन्होंने। ठीक है, तो ये जब मिसाइल फूटती है तो उसकी जो पूरा डेब्रिस गिरता है, उसका जो पूरा ये गिरता है, वो गिरा है सिटी के कुछ कुछ पार्ट पे, थोड़ा पाम जुमेरा के पास गिरा है ये सब। तो वो डेब्रिस गिरा है, ऐसे मिसाइल का अटैक नहीं हुआ है सिटी में। जो मिसाइल फोड़ दिए है उसकी चीजें गिरी है बस, थोड़ी सिटीज में। पर इंडियन न्यूज चैनल बहुत ही मतलब कुछ भी बता रहे हैं भाई, इंडियन न्यूज चैनल कहीं का भी कुछ भी वीडियो छाप दिया है किसी में, कुछ भी मतलब जो हुआ भी नहीं है वो बता दे रहे। बुर्ज खलीफा लॉकडाउन हो गया, ये हो गया। वहां पे लोग नीचे वहीं थे, वहां पे सारे लोग कल कोई कहीं कहीं कुछ लॉकडाउन नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ। इंडियन न्यूज चैनल को तो भाई बस ये ऐसे मौके चाहिए उनको कि एकदम मैं कहाँ से क्या मसाले लेके आऊं और क्या ही बना दूं मैं। बोल रहे हैं उसमें वही फालतू का। हाँ भाई यार, बहुत फालतू की बातें कर रहे हैं एकदम, मतलब बता तो कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है। मैं देखता ही नहीं, न्यूज नहीं देखना चाहिए, इंडियन न्यूज तो देखना ही नहीं चाहिए। कुछ तो क्या करूँ यार। जरा बाहर होना चाहिए, वहाँ सेल हो जाता है, जहाँ सेल होना चाहिए वो बाहर हो जाता है। नियर यूएसडीटी। यहाँ तो भी मतलब पहले के एंट्री ले सकता है ये। सेम सेम लेवल रेजिस्टेंस तो है। पागल भरे पड़े हैं बहुत।
वेबसाइट इन्वर्स वाले कहते हैं to stream. Okay. Welcome user 342531 on the live stream. Welcome user 599088. Welcome on the live stream. Are you that $100 position guy who texted me on the Telegram? User 599088. Are you that? Yes, you are that guy. Okay. So I'll explain you how it works and where to find my group as well, everything. You are watching this thing, right? At right now point, you are watching the live stream over here, right? Now, there are two things. First, my group, how to join my group, I will explain you, and then I'll explain you how to first, can you tell me which language you're comfortable in? Do you want me to speak in English or Hindi? So that you can understand better. I can speak in both language, Hindi, English. Can you comment the language you want to understand in? Do you want to understand in English or do you want to understand in Hindi? Can you comment it, please? First, can you tell me which language you're comfortable in? Do you want me to speak in English or Hindi? मैं हिंदी में समझाऊँ आपको वो $100 की पोजीशन कि मैं आपको इंग्लिश में समझाऊँ? प्लीज लैंग्वेज बता दो, क्योंकि फिर मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपको चीजें अच्छे से समझे। अगर आपको हिंदी में समझ अच्छे से समझ में आती है तो मैं हिंदी में समझाता हूँ, आपको इंग्लिश से कोई तकलीफ नहीं है तो मैं इंग्लिश में समझाता हूँ। आप प्लीज मुझे एक बार लैंग्वेज बता दो कि मैं किस लैंग्वेज में आपसे बात करूँ। यूजर 599088 प्लीज लैंग्वेज बता दो एक बार कि मैं किस लैंग्वेज में आपको समझने के लिए मैं मतलब समझाऊँ। $100 की पोजीशन कैसे समझाऊँ मैं? हिंदी में समझाओ, इंग्लिश में समझाओ, क्योंकि आपका समझना जरूरी है। मैं तो दोनों लैंग्वेज में बोल लूंगा। अगर आपको चीजें नहीं समझेंगी फिर वो नहीं चाहिए मुझे कि आपको कोई डाउट रहे। इसलिए आप जो भी कंफर्टेबल हो उस लैंग्वेज मुझे बताइए, मैं उस लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाता हूँ। कैसे समझाऊँ मैं? हिंदी में समझाओ, इंग्लिश में समझाओ। प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे हिंदी या फिर इंग्लिश लिख दीजिए, जो भी आपको लैंग्वेज प्रीफर है। अगर आपको चीजें नहीं समझेंगी फिर वो नहीं चाहिए मुझे कि आपको कोई डाउट रहे। इसलिए आप जो भी कंफर्टेबल हो उस लैंग्वेज मुझे बताइए, मैं उस लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाता हूँ। प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे हिंदी यूजर 59 मोहसिन नाम है ना? मोहसिन प्लीज कैन यू टेल मी विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन? इंग्लिश और हिंदी, विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन, so I can explain you $100 position, how to get $100 position. आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल हो? मोहसिन, आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। कैन यू टेल मी विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन? इंग्लिश और हिंदी, विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन? आप मेरा लाइव देख पा रहे हो मोहसिन? क्योंकि आपकी तरफ से कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ। मैं एक बार आपको ना टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करता हूँ, शायद तक आप रिप्लाई दे दो उस पर। Which language you are comfortable in? Hindi or English? आप अगर यहाँ पे कमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो मैंने आपको टेलीग्राम पे भी एक टेक्स्ट किया हुआ है, विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन, हिंदी और इंग्लिश। मैं दोनों, आपका रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं उसमें मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी रिस्पांस दीजिए। आप अगर यहाँ पे कमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो मैंने आपको टेलीग्राम पे भी एक टेक्स्ट किया हुआ है, विच लैंग्वेज यू आर। मोहसिन जी प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी रिस्पांस कीजिए। आपका रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं उसमें मैं आपको लैंग्वेज पूछ रहा हूँ, आप किस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल है, हिंदी या इंग्लिश? अगर मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँ फिर आपको चीजें समझ में ना आए तो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ आपको कोई डाउट रहे। So I'm just simply asking which language you are comfortable in. Mohsin, can you comment the language Hindi or English? It's a two-way conversation, Mohsin. I cannot understand if you don't tell me. Please reply. So I'm just simply asking which language you are comfortable in. Mohsin, am I not receiving messages or what? The language Hindi or English? It's a two-way conversation, Mohsin. I cannot understand if you don't tell me. Please reply. Am I not receiving messages or what? Mohsin, which language you are comfortable in? This is like seventh time I'm asking you. Seventh or eighth time. You are in the live stream, you are watching me. I'm asking you which language you are comfortable in. Do you want to hear the explanation in English or Hindi? Comment down. And Mosim left. That's okay. That's okay. That's completely fine. Sim is not interested, so it's completely fine. Do you want to hear the explanation in English or Now Mohsin is replying to me in Telegram. He couldn't reply here. And Mohsin left. That's okay. Sim is not interested, so it's completely. Now Mohsin is replying to me in Telegram. He couldn't reply here. Is it a net issue or something? I am not understanding. Is it a net issue? He said Hindi, English, both is comfortable. So fine. Welcome back, Mosim again. Welcome back, Mosim. So that $100 position gift, how to get it, I'll explain you. Thank you for telling me that you are comfortable in both language. Can you see a gift option over here? Yes. Simply click on that gift option. Once you click on that gift option, it will take you to the two places. That is not actually a $100 position. It is actually a $200 position. How to get that position? For that, you have to make a deposit of 20 USDT. Once you make a deposit of 20 USDT, you will be getting a position of 200 USDT. Okay, how that will work? How that will work? I will tell you. First, the time you do a deposit should be done from the live stream deposit. Can you see a live stream deposit button over here in the down? Click on that, make a deposit of 20 USDT, and you will be getting a trade of 200. Maybe it's of your choice. If you want to take in BTC, you can take in BTC. If you want to take in Ethereum, you can take it in Ethereum. It's up to you. Okay. But understand this point, that 200x USDT position is a leveraged position. Okay. So that is not like complete 200 value. It is leveraged value trade which we are giving. And it will come with a fixed target. Once you decide either you want to go for buy or either you want to go for sell, it will ask you, do you want to go for buy, do you want to go for sell? Once you click on any of the situation and the trade starts, the trade will start for, like, it will go on till 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours. Okay, once that 2 hours is done, the trade will be stopped. Okay, if you want, you can stop the trade before that as well. It is like, obviously you have the choice. Like for example, I took the trade right now, and before 1 hour, if you want to exit, you can exit as well. You have that option. But if you don't exit, then that trade will be going on for 1 hour, and after that 1 hour is complete, the trade will automatically get stopped with whatever profit or whatever loss you are having. Okay, and understand this one thing, that means 20, yeah, exactly, yes, exactly, that means 20 USDT into 10x of leverage. Okay, and plus the target is fixed. Don't expect that, for example, if you took an entry over here, the market is booming, booming, booming till the whole boom, you won't be capturing the whole moment of the market. It has a fixed target. Once that fixed target is achieved, which will give you XYZ amount of whatever profit, that trade will get closed. Okay, max profit won't be given. It has a limit set target. For example, maybe I think it is of 10, 20 or 30 USD or something like that. I have no idea regarding what is a fixed target. Once that fixed target is fixed and you have achieved that target, your trade will get closed. If your fixed target is not achieved in 1 hour, then after 1 hour, automatically the trade will close with whatever profit you are having or the loss. Okay, that's how the 200 USD trade will be working. Got it? You deposit 20, 10x of leverage, 200 position given to you in BTC or in Ethereum, your choice. You can decide if you want to do for buy or you want to do sell. Once you click on any of those trade, max profit limit set. That I don't know. It depends on like the investment and it depends on the leverage. I have no idea regarding it. It's like an algorithm is said that I have no idea regarding. Okay, I don't know what is a max profit limit because everybody has received something different amount. It depends on the market movement. I feel some has received 10, some has received 20, some has also received 0.5 as well. So it is I don't know how it is gonna work, but it has different profit. Not everybody receives the same profit. I don't know how it works, but yes, the profit is fixed, depends on the market movement or something like that. If the market movement is very great, it might take the profit very easily and give it to you, or the percentage. No idea what it is about. So fixed, whatever, like if it closes before it, then you can see what is the profit limit is, max profit limit. Like if it closes before 1 hour, it might give you 10, 20, 30, or maybe 0.5 or $1, $2. It depends on the market movement or something, which I am unclear about. Okay, which I am unclear about. The max profit limit, I don't know about it. But that's how you can do it. You just have to simply click on the deposit button, make a deposit of 20 USDT, and that's it. So, sir, if we only get 0.5 deposit, 20, then what what's the use of 200 position thing? Exactly my point. Sometimes I don't understand it. Okay, it says that it is a leveraged position, and it will like I have asked about this situation. They said like every people receive different leverage depending on the market at that moment. If the market makes a movement of, let's say, 2% in a very quick movement, the profit will be little less, or if it goes slow, something like that. Okay, I don't know the core logic of that, but yes, I don't know the core logic of that, like why such thing happens. But yes, some people have received 0.5 as well. I don't want to hide things from you. I have told you very clearly. Some people has received 10, 20, $30 as well. Some people have received 0.5 as well. How that thing works, I don't know the logic of that. Okay. Because according to me, I really have no concept. I don't know the concept of max profit limit set. I don't know. It should not be done. Like max profit limit should not be done. Like if we give you a chance of 200 USDT, that should be a complete free. Like, thanks for the clarity, sir. Yeah, sure. I really believe that if we give you such kind of trades like of 200 USDT, that 1 hour should be of a free thing. Like whatever happens, even if it's you are getting with 200 USDT, you are getting like 300 profit, you should have 300 profit. We should not have a max limit thing, but we are having it. I don't know the logic why we are having it, but it should not be. We should have a free trade. If we are giving such kind of 200 USDT position, then we should give a free trade. But I don't know why company is doing that. No idea. And I really have no logic, because I really feel like if it's a trade, give a free concept, free will, like whatever movement capture, it captures. Whatever profit comes, it will come. The logic of like just giving small limit, no logic, no idea what it is about. Thanks for the clarity. No issues. No issues. Any other question you have, please feel free to ask me in the comment section if you have any other question. If not, then okay. Let me find the trade. I'll take 5 minute break. After 5 minute break, I'll be back in the live stream. Okay, I'll just come in 5 minute break. Okay. We are back. Why market price is stuck at one place? Whenever market price gets stuck at one place, that's a very bad situation. Same thing happened yesterday as well, where the market price was stuck yesterday. Why USDT withdrawal fee is too high? It's on Zbit. It's not the Zbit's fault. It's a blockchain fee. Okay, blockchain has that kind of fee which we can't avoid. Okay, we can't give you for like completely for free withdrawal because we have to pay in the blockchain. So if you want to withdraw, that's the fee of the blockchain. Not we don't take that fee. It's not for us. Withdrawal fee goes for the blockchain. Blockchain has fees faster, like to make it secure and safe and sound. So for that thing, it is taking $1. Some takes $1, some take 1.25, some take even $2. That is a blockchain fee. That is not a Zbit fee. Okay, please understand it. Whenever you click on the deposit, sorry, withdrawal, and you withdraw any kind of money, you can clearly see the blockchain fee over there. The blockchain's withdrawal fee. You can pick the best blockchain. Minimum is the optimism, which is $1. $1 have to you have to give to the blockchain, not to us. We don't take that fee. It's not us. It's the blockchain. Minimum is the optimism, which is $1. Have to you have to give to the blockchain, not to us. We don't take that fee. 2.89% we can capture from here, but the 2.89% can give us a huge loss as well. Not every fair value gap is meant to be tapped. So it 2.89% we can capture from here, but that is a 4-hour fair value gap. I think can give us a huge loss as well. Not every fair value gap is meant to be tapped. So it, because slowly, which we can see that the sell was good, then little less, then little. Carlo WD Masco K B Rekmana. I don't understand Indonesian language. Please prefer to speak in English. I don't understand Indonesian language. You can use Google Translate to speak with me. I can also use Google Translate to speak with you. I want to know what you said in this. I don't understand Indonesian language. Google Translate. I don't understand Indonesian language. You can use Google Translate to speak with me. I can also use Google Translate. What is WD? I want to know what you said in this. Google Translate. What is WD? Now it depends like what kind of trade can we take in the near USDT. Either if it's a higher high, higher low, higher low situation, then we'll get a buy entry. We'll put a target over here somewhere. If we get, if the market is trying to fall here, then we get a short entry. Now it depends where the market is going right now. I won't enter in the sell side at right now point because the sell side is half is already cleared, and I don't think so it will go to the this fair value gap. So we'll wait for the buy entry in the near. Giving you random entry causes a lot of losses. Welcome user 433114. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. Thank you so much for coming down. I'm trying to find entries for all of you people. Once I find an entry, I will provide you those entries. अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो please मैं अभी आपके लिए मार्केट में एंट्री ढूंढ रहा हूँ, जैसी मेरी एंट्री ढूंढ के हो जाती है मैं ग्रुप में अपडेट कर दूंगा। अगर आपने मेरा अभी तक ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो प्लीज लाइव स्ट्रीम के ये ग्रुप ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके आप मेरे zbit.com लाइव विद यश ग्रुप को प्लीज ज्वाइन कीजिए, ठीक है। अगर आपने मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो प्लीज लाइव स्ट्रीम के ये ग्रुप ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके आप मेरे zbit.com लाइव विद यश ग्रुप को प्लीज ज्वाइन कीजिए, ठीक है। मैं कहीं ना कहीं नियर की मैं कहीं ना कहीं यहीं से एक रिवर्सल एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ से वापस हम एक बाय एंट्री में जाए, क्योंकि हम एक चीज देख पा रहे हैं, सेल की कैंडल छोटी छोटी होती जा रही है, उसके साथ ही जो स्ट्रेंथ है सेलर्स की वो कम होती जा रही है। अगर हम फेयर वैल्यू की अपनी सॉरी फेयर वैल्यू की, अब क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर हम मार्केट की स्ट्रेंथ की बात करें, ये रिसेंट मोस्ट था, उसमें हम देख पा रहे कि सेम ही यहाँ से क्या था, यहाँ से तो डाइवर्जन दिख रहा है, अच्छा। बट जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन डाइवर्जन मुझे एक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन अ डाइवर्जन। हर बार डाइवर्जन सही काम नहीं करता है। अगर मैं इसकी डिमांड या बाकी के जोन्स भी देखूँ तो डिमांड जोन बहुत दूर है। फेयर वैल्यू के आप जिस एंट्री लिया और वापस से ऊपर भाग गया है मार्केट। सप्लाई के पास अभी तक टच किया नहीं है, तो सप्लाई के पास टच करने के भी चांसेस है। इसने ना ही सप्लाई को टच किया है ना ही डिमांड को टच किया है, बस बीच में फेयर वैल्यू के आपके पास आके हिट करके ऊपर चले गया है। अब डाइवर्जन की बात करें तो हाँ, हमें यहाँ पे एक आरएसआई का डाइवर्जन देखने मिल रहा है जहाँ पे स्ट्रेंथ कम हो रही है। इसका स्ट्रेंथ जब कम होती है उसका मतलब वही होता है कि अभी सेल साइड थोड़ा डोमिनेटिंग है एंड मार्केट में सेल जल्दी हो जाएगा। वेलकम यूजर 737680, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट। यूजर 43311, आप क्या मेरे ग्रुप में हो? यूजर 43314, क्या आप मेरे ग्रुप में हो? एंड यूजर 593163, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट। As an please I try to understand, I speak in English and Hindi, I don't understand Indonesian, I don't speak Indonesian, and I'm really sorry for that. But if you want to communicate me, please try to communicate with me in English, okay? There was one Indonesian person who commented something which I am not able to understand, and please, if you are watching, then please, whatever situation, whatever doubt you are having, try to communicate with me in English. आरएसए का डाइवर्जन शोकेस कर रहा है कि यार मार्केट में एक डाउनसाइड मोमेंटम आ सकती है, बट हम उस पे इतना हमें आरएसआई पे भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए। हम हर बार आरएसआई एकदम बहुत करेक्ट मोमेंटम नहीं, मतलब करेक्ट सिग्नल नहीं देता है। मुझे नियर का एशियन रेंज जानना है। लंदन फिर चालू हो गया है अपनी। मुझे नियर का एशियन रेंज जानना है। ये एशिया का लो पॉइंट है, एशिया का हाई एंड लो यहाँ बना पड़ा है। ये क्या, ये हाई यहीं पे खत्म हुआ ना? हाँ, एशिया का हाई एंड एशिया का लो यहाँ पे बन चुका है। इस समय पे लंदन ट्रेड कर रहा है, नीचे कोई ऐसी कोई खास लिक्विडिटी है भी नहीं जिसे हम टैप कर लें। जो लिक्विडिटी थी वो बहुत नीचे है, जहाँ तक मुझे नहीं लगता कि मार्केट पहुंच पाएगा, ठीक है। पर फिर भी हम मेक श्योर करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे, अगर मैं यहाँ पे भी अगर आरएसआई लगाता हूँ, स्ट्रेंथ देखनी है मार्केट की। अच्छा, मेरे दो चालू है क्या? आरएसआई का स्ट्रेंथ देखना है, क्या मुझे डाइवर्जन सही में दिख रहा है? देखो डाइवर्जन तो दिख रहा है कि मार्केट में डाइवर्जन है। ये वाला इसका जो पीक हाई था जहाँ पे इसने यहाँ पे बनाया था एक्सट्रीम सी कोई तो स्ट्रेंथ थी, बट वो स्ट्रेंथ कभी मेंटेन की नहीं गई। छोटा छोटा हमें हायर हाई हायर लो सिचुएशन देखने मिल रहा है। बट ये जो अप ट्रेंड है ये कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग अप ट्रेंड नहीं है, ये एक वीक अप ट्रेंड है। ठीक है, इसके बाद स्ट्रेंथ गिरी है, फिर भी हमारा मतलब प्राइस की इसमें अप ट्रेंड अभी भी चालू है। प्राइस की इसमें अप ट्रेंड अभी तक कम नहीं हुआ है। प्राइस की इसमें तो अप ट्रेंड अभी भी चालू है, बट आरएसआई की इसमें डाउन ट्रेंड की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। सून शायद तक मार्केट यहाँ पे गिर जाए, बट ये सिर्फ आरएसआई के डाइवर्जन के इस पे हमें एक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए कभी। आरएसआई कभी भी चाहिए अपने, कोई और कॉइन देखते हैं। एक्सआरपी देखेंगे यार, एक्सआरपी में क्या हो रहा है। एक बार मेरे को ना आरएसआई की डाइवर्जेंस दिखा दो। मुझे प्राइस मेकिंग लोअर लो सेट मेकिंग हाई राइट बुलिश डाइवर्जन। हिडन बुलिश डाइवर्जन, प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है, ऑसिलेटर नीचे जा रहा है, ऑसिलेटर हमारा नीचे जा रहा है और प्राइस हमारा ऊपर जा रहा है। ये हिडन बुलिश डाइवर्जन। हम यहाँ पे क्या देख पा रहे हैं, हमारा प्राइस जा रहा है नीचे। यहाँ पे एक चीज नोटिस करता हूँ, हमारा प्राइस जा रहा है ऊपर और हमारा आरएसआई जा रहा है नीचे। तो ये इनके हिसाब से है, प्राइस जा रहा है ऊपर, ऑसिलेटर जा रहा है नीचे। ये हिडन बुलिश डाइवर्जन है। अगर हम हायर लोअर लोअर लो की बात करें तो इसके हिसाब से अभी, अच्छा ये गोल्ड है, गोल्ड नहीं चाहिए मुझे। एक्सआरपी में तो डाउन ट्रेंड चालू है आज, तब से डाउन ट्रेंड कैसे लगे एक्सआरपी नहीं समझ। एक्सआरपी में तो डाउन ट्रेंड चालू है आज, तब से डाउन ट्रेंड कैसे लगे एक्सआरपी नहीं समझ। यार ये मैं बाइवेटेड दे सकता हूँ अभी। यार ये अपना हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बना देगा, हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न या फिर एक्सआरपी की बाइवेटेड। सेम मूवमेंट हो रहा है, लग रहा है हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बना रहा है, हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बना के वापस से मार्केट एकदम से गिर जाएगा। सेल साइड कम हो चुका है, अगर हम उठाते भी है मार्केट हार्डली यहाँ तक कहीं ना कहीं आई नहीं। लग रहा है हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बना रहा है, एक ही ट्रेड में लग रहा है नेकलाइन पे पहुंच चुका है। अब इसका नेकलाइन दिखे, चीजें डिलीट करो। मार्केट अपने नेकलाइन पे पहुंच चुका है, इसके लग रहा है कि ये बना रहा है अपना हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न। हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न कैसे बनता है सब लोग को पता ही है। ये शोल्डर, ये हेड, ये दूसरा शोल्डर आएगा यहाँ पे। लग रहा है उसके चांसेस ज्यादा है। मार्केट अपने नेकलाइन पे पहुंच चुका है इसके। लग रहा है कि ये बना रहा है अपना हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न। हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न कैसे बनता है सब लोग को पता ही है। ये शोल्डर, ये हेड, ये दूसरा शोल्डर आएगा यहाँ पे। ये है, लग रहा है उसके चांसेस ज्यादा है। थोड़ी हल्की बाय सिचुएशन हो सकती है यहाँ से। कंफर्म नहीं पर रिजेक्शन हो रहा है अच्छा खासा। हम एंट्री दे सकते हैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी हल्की सी छोटी सी लॉन्ग की। कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से ज्यादा एम नहीं करेंगे, छोटा ही एम करेंगे बहुत। थोड़ी हल्की बाय सिचुएशन हो सकती है यहाँ से। कंफर्म नहीं पर रिजेक्शन हो रहा है अच्छा खासा। हम एंट्री दे सकते हैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी हल्की सी छोटी सी लॉन्ग की। 1% है यहाँ से ज्यादा एम नहीं करेंगे, 0.107%। एंड वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न की थोड़ी चांसेस दिख रही है। नेचुरल करेक्शन भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, नीचे ना गिरे बस। 0.107%। एंड वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न की थोड़ी चांसेस दिख रही है। मैं लिख देता हूँ चीजें तब तक। नेचुरल करेक्शन भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, नीचे ना गिरे बस। पर लग रहा है यार कल गिर जाएगी पूरी मार्केट। मैं लिख देता हूँ चीजें तब तक। मंडे को फुल फ्लश आउट हो जाएगा ऐसा लग रहा है। पर लग रहा है यार कल गिर जाएगी पूरी मार्केट। मंडे को फुल फ्लश आउट हो जाएगा ऐसा लग रहा है। ये तो बहुत कर रहे हो, उठ नहीं पा रहा। फिर इसके बाद वाली सिचुएशन में हो सकता है कि हमें फिर सेल देखने मिले। मार्केट ने फेयर वैल्यू में आपको टैप करके तो नीचे जा रहा है। फिर इसके बाद वाली सिचुएशन में हो सकता है कि हमें फिर सेल देखने मिले। मार्केट ऐसा करे, एंट्री तो देने देता हूँ। एंट्री देने भी नहीं दिया इसने। रिजेक्शन दिला दे एंट्री दे दूंगा। एंट्री देने भी नहीं दिया इसने। एंट्री मिस करा दिया। वेलकम यूजर 77038, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। करते एंट्री, एंट्री मिस करा दिया। वेलकम यूजर 77038, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। छोटा सा ट्रेड रहेगा पर ठीक है। छोटा सा ट्रेड रहेगा पर ठीक है। इसके अलावा और कोई कॉइन नहीं है क्या? इसके अलावा और कोई कॉइन नहीं है क्या? Excellent. Excellent. थोड़ा ऊपर उठा सकता हूँ मैं? थोड़ा ऊपर उठा सकता हूँ मैं? Kuldeep, welcome Kuldeep on the live stream. Kuldeep, welcome Kuldeep on the live stream. ये इंडिसीजन कैंडल बन गई ना, काम हो जाएगा. और एडी आ गया, एडीपी. ये इंडिसीजन कैंडल बन गई ना, काम हो जाएगा. एडी आ गया, एडीपी. वेटिंग, वेटिंग, वेटिंग. वेटिंग, वेटिंग. Excellent long trail I should provide is well for that's right. Excellent long trail I should provide is well for सेल रुक गया ना, इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है अभी यहाँ से एक रिट्रेसमेंट देगा ऊपर, और हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बनने के चांसेस ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं। सेल रुक गया ना, इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है अभी यहाँ से एक रिट्रेसमेंट देगा ऊपर, और हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बनने के चांसेस ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं। चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर कर दिया ना यार उसने मेरे को, वही नीचे चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर दे दिया है। हैमर कैंडल बच चुकी है। चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर कर दिया ना यार उसने मेरे को, वही नीचे चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर दे दिया है। हैमर कैंडल बच चुकी है। तो चेंज ऑफ, मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर हो गया है, पर सप्लाई से उसने सप्लाई से कितना भी अच्छा कुछ Deposit failed. Hello. Why deposit failed? Nori Boro. Why did the deposit fail? Deposit failed. Hello. Why deposit failed? Nori Boro. Why did the deposit fail? I don't know why. Send me screenshot. Hi. User 674158. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much. User 355003. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. I don't know why. Send me screenshot. Hi. User 674158. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much. User 355003. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Excellent buy trade. I'm keeping all people. It's fine. Excellent buy trade. I'm keeping all people. It's fine. Welcome user 19864. Welcome user 1999293. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining it. Please do not forget to join my group. My group is very important. If you become a member of my group, you can get free trades from my side, plus all the time any good benefits or something like that. Okay, so please make sure to join my group, cbit.com live with Yash. I'm providing a trade signal right now. Zero point 1565. Seven. And then 60000. साइड प्रेशर तो है. Nodibora, have you shared me the screenshot? 1, 5, 6, 9. One, 6, 3. इंडिसीजन कैंडल बन के बाद में ऊपर ही जाए. What? Excellent position. Noriboro, please share me the screenshot. Have you shared me the screenshot till now? Noriboro, your payment got failed. Can you send me a screenshot of that payment which got failed? Well done. I received. Okay. ठीक है. Received. Okay. Already installed. What are the other coins? Verification. How many times it gets automatically now? 5. How many times it gets automatically now? X, S, H, U, S, U, S, T, E, and R. That's the big hypermarket. Just now. But still the trend is going up after not for a trend. Welcome user. एकदम से ट्रेंड कैसे बदल जाता है इन द सिचुएशंस. लोअर लो चालू है, अनार में हाई हाई चालू है, अनार में भी लोअर लो ही चालू है. वेट करते हैं एक्स में क्या होगा. JU. Same situation, JUP as well. Inside the fair value gap. Honestly, it looks like the change of character has happened. Day time frame fair value gap has been hit by JUPU. Sir, silver or gold? You wanna check silver or gold? We can check silver or gold. This is gold. Doesn't even follow a proper trend line. Trend lines, no trend. Obviously, there is no higher high, higher low situation. It is at the top, so I cannot determine the supply as well. And demand is too far to go down that side. Obviously, considering gold as a safe asset, it won't come down to the demand directly over here. FEGs are provided, but FEGs doesn't mean anything in the gold. And for silver, um, market came down below that demand point a lot. So even pointing out at the demand doesn't matter or anything. IMX buy trade I can give, but at what cost? At what cost I will give an IMF buy trade over here, which can happen. 1.6% I can give. It shouldn't have been made, like at least this drop should have been little up, a little. Gap up opening. OPX. Such weird patterns, such weird pattern which will like it will make you question only like what's happening in the market. Such weird patterns. Some working on fair value gaps, some working on some different things. Randomly, some trades are happening. Like what kind of structure it is? Like who will understand what kind of structure it is? Like if I just put it on Polygon, okay. So these are the structures. which we are having in the market at right now point, suddenly it will go in an uptrend. Suddenly then the uptrend won't follow and we will change the character straight up to the uptrend, and then again we will follow the downtrend. What character should I identify from this? What character? What trend is this? Who is gonna tell about what trend is this? Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Nobody can guess it. Such weird trend we are having right now in the market. Like literally, like bring anybody and tell me like what trend it is. Is it a consolidation? No. Is it an uptrend? Nope. Is it a downtrend? Nope. What trend it is? This is something like very questionable trend. Is it something new we have to find out in the market? Like what trend it is? Somewhere we are having here higher low, lower high situation over here. Suddenly we break that character over here, change of character is happening. After change of character, that change of character is not getting it, it makes another lower here. After that, we get a break of structure gets little followed up in here, little uptrend, and suddenly that uptrend doesn't comes. Again, the change of character happens over here. After the change of character, we can see again the change, the market is changing it, and again we are in the downtrend. What is happening in the market? Change of character to the change of character to the change of character. How many change of character? Can look like a manipulation over here. Yes, does look like it can be just a plain manipulation of the market, like it just grab the liquidity from here and then it shoot up again. Then, like, what about right now position? Like, what should I go? There is a big fair value gap above me. If I go for buy situation, then the fair value gap will hit and it will drop in the market. If I go for an buy, if I go for a sell situation, then there might be a situation that this can be that one point from where the market is retaliating completely. Oof, oof, oof. Breathe, breathe. That's it, Solana. Still haven't reached demand, Solana. Demand from here, fair value gap from here. Inverse fair value gap situation was there, but it happened. Randomly, something is happening in the market. Random, some random thing happening in the market. Some random, completely things in the market. सप्लाई से किराया just now it has fallen from supply. How we can expect it to go to supply again? And it has just fallen from supply. There is not even an inverse fair value gap situation over here. We have to wait, bro. We have to wait. I cannot give you. There is no trade only. What shall I give you all people? What trade shall I give when there is no trade at all in the market? भाई मेरी नहीं भाई मेरी अर्निंग नहीं आ रही है, क्या बात है? User 505671. Have you joined my member group? Are you inside my member group? If you are not in my member group, please be a part of member group. I provide trade over there which you can take and you can earn money. तो आपकी अर्निंग चालू हो जाएगी. Welcome user 859096. Welcome on the live stream. अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम के ग्रुप में नहीं हो, इफ यू आर नॉट इन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम ग्रुप टिल नाउ, प्लीज join my live stream group. Click on here, click on the live stream, and then click on this deposit button over here. The time you click on the deposit button, sorry, not deposit button, the time you click on the group button, you will come to my channel, zbit.com live with Yash channel. I hope at least excellent. It is going. Is it going good? The time you click on the group button, you will come to my channel, zbit.com live with Yash channel. I hope at least excellent. It is going. Is it going good? Welcome user 220054. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. If you are not a part of my group yet, please be a part of my group. My group channel name is zbit.com live with Yash. You can just simply click on the group option down on the live stream and you can be a part of this member. I provide you trades over there. I provide you each and every of those things. Please make sure that you are joining my group, zbit.com live with Yash group. Okay. Do not forget this. Part of this member. I provide you trades over there. I provide you each and every of those things. Please make sure that you are joining my group, cbit.com live with Yash group. Okay. Do not forget this. Phoenix Limited is not going good. TRX. H bar तो no. H bar तो I personally don't wanna go for it. H bar is a coin which made me have a huge loss in the market. H bar तो I personally don't wanna go for it. H bar is a coin which made me have a huge loss in the market. That situation might come. I'm really feeling that a market is positioning a head and shoulder pattern out there, so that tomorrow in the Monday the whole market can crash. Monday market will crash. Into that situation might come. I'm really something maybe in BTC rather than finding in such coin. It's better to find in because all of the thing looks so like they are like having such kind of profit and blah, but none of the coins are having an entry at right now point. Something maybe in BTC rather than finding in such coin. It's better to find in because all of the thing looks so like they are like it should sustain. But none of the coins are having sustain is the thing. Should go, can give a long trade in so many coins. Welcome user 346Y36. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome. It should sustain. Sustain is the thing. Should go, can give a long trade in so many coins. Welcome user 346Y36. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome. यार वे मैडम पास it is वेलकम यूजर 918263 वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। अगर आप मेरे ग्रुप पे नहीं हो, अगर आप मेरे ग्रुप का मेंबर नहीं हो, इसमें आपको मैं फ्री की ट्रेड दिलाता हूँ, तो प्लीज इस लाइव स्ट्रीम के यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिए, जो आपको स्ट्रेट लेके जाएगा zbit.com लाइव विद यश पे। नहीं हो, अगर आप मेरे ग्रुप का मेंबर नहीं हो, इसमें आपको मैं फ्री की ट्रेड दिलाता हूँ, तो प्लीज इस लाइव स्ट्रीम के यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिए, जो आपको स्ट्रेट लेके जाएगा zbit.com लाइव विद यश पे। भी करना है तेरे में तब यार इस क्लाइंट के पास आने के चुप रहना तो वापस से बाय देने का जो ये होता है ना वो बहुत रिस्की होता है। भले भी सिचुएशन दिख रही है हमारे आँख के सामने ये वाला समय कि 3 बजे कोई ट्रेड नहीं मिलती यार, ये तो मैं एक बार नोटिस कर रहा हूँ। मैं 3 बजे कोई मार्केट में ना मोमेंटम है ना कोई ट्रेड है ना कुछ है यहाँ पे। हर जगह ठप पड़ा हुआ है पूरा मार्केट। ऐसे ट्रेड नहीं की जाती है। 3 बजे कोई ट्रेड नहीं मिलती यार, ये तो मैं एक बार नोटिस कर रहा हूँ। मैं 3 बजे कोई मार्केट में ना मोमेंटम है ना कोई ट्रेड है ना कुछ है यहाँ पे। हर जगह ठप पड़ा हुआ है पूरा मार्केट। ऐसे ट्रेड नहीं की जाती है। ऐसे ही हुआ है भाई का। सर नाइट टाइम व्हाट डू यू मीन सर? नाइट टाइम, नाइट टाइम सर, व्हाट नाइट टाइम? Night time trade. Yeah, nighttime trade are more better than daytime trade. At right now point, there are no trade only. What shall I give to all of you? Whatever movement was there, it already came. Market is correcting himself. In the correcting situation, if I give you like, okay, go for a buy situation because a higher high situation will come. What is the confirmation of higher high? No confirmation of higher high. How shall I give you? Whatever movement was there, it already came. Market is correcting himself. In the correcting situation, if I give you like, okay, go for a buy situation because a higher high situation will come. What is the confirmation of higher high? No confirmation of higher high. How shall I give you? हाँ नहीं यार, ये तो एक इन्वर्स कैप हो गया। इथेरियम में भी बाई की एंट्री बन रही है बट trade night. I'll try to give you trade. Ethereum में भी buy की entry बन रही है but trade night. I'll try to give you trade. But can you see there is no movement in the market? The price is not even moving. It is stuck at one place, stuck, like legit stuck. Even if I reload millions of times, it is stuck at one place, not moving. Literally stuck at one place. Can you see there is no movement in the market? The price is not even moving. It is stuck at one place, stuck, like legitly stuck. Even if I reload millions of times, it is stuck at one place, not moving at all. Literally stuck at one place. Like there is no buyer or what? Like they have stopped trading something. Like there is no buyer or what? Like they have stopped trading something. The trade. Price going above, it's falling down. Hidden bull run. It is a hidden bull run. Price going above, it's falling down. Hidden bull run. It is a hidden bull run. Big gap between them. No even gap to go there. No even gap to go there. There are holes there. It already. Best. Welcome user 967603. Welcome on the live stream. I just focus on the Excel and play. Nothing else is going to happen. There is literally no movement in the market. What shall I give it to you? What shall I give it to you? Till 27. सर सेल नहीं हो रहा है, सेल कैसे करें? सेल कैसे नहीं हो रहा है? आप फ्यूचर में कर रहे हो कि स्पॉट में कर रहे हो? यूजर 873475, आप फ्यूचर में सेल कर रहे हो कि स्पॉट में सेल कर रहे हो? कहाँ पे सेल कर रहे हो प्लीज वो बता दो। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो कि स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो? यूजर 873475, आप ट्रेडिंग कहाँ पे कर रहे हो? स्पॉट में कर रहे हो कि फ्यूचर में कर रहे हो? मैं कोई सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे। फ्यूचर में सेल, फिर तो फ्यूचर में सेल होना चाहिए डायरेक्टली। कौन से कॉइन देख रहे हो आप? आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेज सकते हो। यहाँ पे मेरे लाइव में ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो। यहाँ पे मुझे 873475, आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम का ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो और ग्रुप पे मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो उसका कि आप कौन सा ट्रेड लेना चाह रहे हो और इसमें आपका सेल क्यों नहीं हो रहा है। एक बार मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो तो मुझे चीजें समझ में आएगी। क्योंकि बिटकॉइन में फिर आप ना एक बार मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो, फिर मैं उसका कारण बताता हूँ। बिटकॉइन में आप जो सेल कर रहे हो ना, शायद तक आपके पास अमाउंट जो है वो बहुत कम होगा, क्योंकि बिटकॉइन एक लिमिट में ट्रेडिंग देता है कि अगर आपके पास बहुत ही कम बैलेंस है तो उसमें आप सेल नहीं कर सकते हो, ऐसा होता है बिटकॉइन में। तो एक बार आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो कि आप कितने अमाउंट से आप ट्रेड ले रहे हो और कितने अमाउंट से आप सेल करना चाह रहे हो। उसका एक बार मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो मेरे ग्रुप में, यहाँ पे आप zbit.com live with यश में आप मुझे भेज सकते हो। आपको बस सिंपली ये नीचे में आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, ये नीचे में ग्रुप है, इस ग्रुप पे क्लिक करो एंड यहाँ पे आप मुझे वो स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो मुझे, तो फिर मैं वो स्क्रीनशॉट समझ के आपको बता पाऊंगा। क्योंकि कभी कभार होता है कि बिटकॉइन में अगर आप बहुत कम प्राइस से ट्रेड लेते हो तो वो अलाउ नहीं करता है आप बाय या फिर सेल दोनों के लिए। बिटकॉइन में शायद एक लिमिटेड ये है कि आप कुछ छोटे पैसे से नहीं ले सकते, मतलब $1-2 से अगर ट्रेड ले रहे हो तो वो शायद तक नहीं होता है। आप मुझे एक बार ग्रुप पे स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो तो मैं अच्छे से समझ पाऊंगा उसे, ठीक है? शायद तक वो नहीं होगा, मैं अपने हिसाब से एक बता रहा हूँ कि शायद तक वो रीजन हो सकता है। एक बार आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो, वो ट्रेड ऐसा लगाओ, वो कुछ तो दिखाता होगा कि ट्रेड क्यों नहीं ले पा रहे, तो उसका भी एक स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो मुझे ट्रेड पे। शायद तक वो नहीं होगा, मैं अपने हिसाब से एक बता रहा हूँ कि शायद तक वो रीजन हो सकता है। एक बार आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो, वो ट्रेड ऐसा लगाओ, वो कुछ तो दिखाता होगा कि ट्रेड क्यों नहीं ले पा रहे, तो उसका भी एक स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो मुझे। मुझे ग्रुप में एक बार प्लीज भेज दो स्क्रीनशॉट। बुलाओ मिनिमम बैलेंस नहीं। आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो ना एक बार, मेरे टेलीग्राम लिंक पे आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो। स्क्रीनशॉट। बुलाओ मिनिमम बैलेंस नहीं। आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो ना एक बार, मेरे टेलीग्राम लिंक पे आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो। प्लीज सजेस्ट एंट्री पॉइंट। प्लीज सजेस्ट एंट्री पॉइंट। Welcome user 791923. Welcome user 612624. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much. If you haven't joined my group yet, please make sure to join my group. Joining group is important. You will get the free signals from my side. Zbit.com live with Yash. You will get free signals from my side. I give free signals in the market. If you want to have free signals in the market, join my group today. Okay. Join my group today if you want to have free signals in the market. You will get free signals from my side. I give free signals in the market. If you want to have free signals in the market, join my group today. Okay. Join my group today if you want to have free signals in the market. You suggested to keep SL according to capital. See, that thing is there. I suggest it, but in the market, which is very volatile, if you keep, even if I tell you keep it on the next low, what if the market again comes and taps it? Again, you will face loss. Next candle low. Again, you will face loss. Next candle low. Again, you will face loss. That's why I'm suggesting don't keep SL because market is very volatile. Suddenly it can drop down and suddenly it can go up as well. It depends. Right now, time of the market, you can clearly see that market is having no momentum, not going up, not going down. So we can never predict what's going to happen next. I have spotted just a support trend line where the market can take a support and go up. Okay. So next candle can be a very big red candle or can be a very big green candle. It depends. Please make sure to understand this situation. If you don't want to have loss, you have the SL, but there is no guarantee that your SL will not be tapped again and again you will face some loss because of the volatility which is happening right now. There is no guarantee for that. Please make sure to understand this situation. If there was a good buy momentum, I would have said keep it over here. But we can clearly see there are no buyers at right now point as well. No buyers, no sellers. Both of the parties are absent from the market. It is just consolidating. It is just, if you see in 5 minute chart, it's just going in a sideways direction. Just consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Who will take over the market? No idea over here. A buyers or a sellers. Mostly buyers will take over because it's in a demand zone and every of those things. But we can't say confirmation is not there. Who will take over the market? No idea over here. Buyers or a sellers. I gave you buy entry because sell pressure is gone from the market. There is no sell pressure. Candle came, and then small candle happened. That means sellers exited from the market. Now this is the buyer's option, buyer's chance to make the market go up again. That's why I gave you a long trade over there. And it looks like it is making a head and shoulder pattern as well. The shoulder, the head, again the shoulder. This is the neckline of the market. Now this is the buyer's option, buyer's chance to make the market go up again. That's why I gave you a long trade over there. And it looks like it is making a head and shoulder pattern as well. The shoulder, the head, again the shoulder. This is the neckline of the market. Let's see. So it's 3, it's 4, almost the 4. I'll leave this live stream. Thank you so much for all the people. I think to take EP higher than the current market. So it's 3, it's 4, almost the 4. I'll leave this live stream. Thank you so much for all the people. I think to take EP higher than the current market. EP high, I think, but that need confirmation as well. If I keep, then that will require a bit of a confirmation for me as well. EP high, I think, but that need confirmation as well. If I keep, then that will require a bit of a confirmation for me. In case of, I think, to take EP higher than current market. Entry price higher than why? If you want to go for long, your entry price should be below, right? Not that high. It should be somewhere around here. Like if you take it little low, then you can go for a long. If you keep current your entry price higher than the current price, then you are losing a little bit of profit over here. If you go for long, if you are going for long, your entry price should be as below as possible. If you are going for short, then your entry price can be as high as possible. Your entry price is long, you are going for a long, your entry price should be below as possible. That's why I gave you the range of somewhere around 0.5746 to the last candle at that moment, but it crossed that level as well. So if this candle over here goes more down, as much as down it goes, take the entry over there. As much as it goes down, take entry over there as much as possible. Take low entry as possible. Put a limit order in the last low or the current low. Limit order. Don't go for market. Mistake done. Okay, mistake done. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining this live stream. I'll see you all guys tomorrow. Tomorrow my timings will be 4 to 8. I won't be coming in the morning session, and that is actually better. In the morning, we don't get trade. There is no trade in the morning. You can clearly see there is no momentum itself. If I go right now, it is a 1 hour. We can see like this, but this happened before. Right now, if you can see what is happening right now, this is the trade of right now. Just market going inside, not having a momentum, and this is not for just XLN. It is for everything. Everything going inside. Everything, if you can clearly see, everything is just going inside right now. So it is better. We tomorrow my live stream timing will be 4 to 8. That is a Dubai timing. Indian timing will be 5:30 to 9:30. I will be updating in the group whenever I go live. I will be updating in the group. So you can join, you can check the group, you can see the live is started, and you can come on the live stream. Okay. And thank you so much for joining live stream. Do not forget to make a deposit on the live stream deposit button. The first deposit from the live stream deposit can get you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Okay. So how much time it takes for withdrawal? It depends on the verification. All the verifications done first, like your whatever withdrawal process will verify, your bank account will get verified. It will take hardly 15 to 20 minutes. Hardly 15-20 minutes. If there is some flaw as in, like, for example, I'll give you, see, as you are a very new trader, like new to Zbit, I'll give you some gist about it. See, if you do a crypto deposit, don't take it in a fiat withdrawal. Okay, it will look like a money laundering situation where your withdrawal can be freezed, which you won't be getting it. So try to do the same situation. If you are doing fiat deposit, do a fiat withdrawal. If you are doing crypto deposit, do crypto withdrawal only. Don't interchange it. If you interchange like crypto deposit, fiat withdrawal, or fiat deposit, crypto withdrawal, then it will look like a money laundering situation where your account, your basically the value, the money will get freezed. So to avoid that situation, please don't do it. Whatever you're doing, fiat deposit, fiat withdrawal, crypto deposit, crypto withdrawal. Okay. And it will take see, to verify everything from the bank account to your wherever wallet or the bank account, wherever you are taking. If you are taking fiat withdrawal, then we'll check the bank account details. If you are taking the that withdrawal, crypto withdrawal, then we will check the wallet address and everything. So to verify all the situation, it will take hardly 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's verified, we'll provide you the withdrawal. Got it? Okay. So thank you so much for all the people for coming on this live stream. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will see you all guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's time